Ladies and gentlemen, this is the main event game of your 2023 SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 SINAG Cup, presented to you by Converge FiberX. Experience better with Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa, and we are live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga, for the final game of this quarter-finals round, as we will see Coach J.R. De La Cruz, the head coach of the Hustle Rising Suns, Florida Blanca, Pampanga, looking to upset etong Parañaque Pelicans, led by Coach Cesar Babasa Jr., the head coach of the Pelicans, looking to book their ticket for the final spot sa semi-final round, and that is our game at hand, the Hustle Rising Suns, Florida Blanca kontra the Parañaque Pelicans. Isang magandang gabi po sa mga kasinag namin na nakatutok from Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao at sa iba't ibang bansa na bumubuo ng Asya. Kami ang inyong mga kasama at hindi po kami mga AI broadcasters po. Ako si Enzo Galarosa, and together with me is Coach Pancho Alfonso. Coach Pancho, kamusta ka at magandang gabi sa'yo?
Eto, medyo pump up ako dahil nung first game natin kanina, binanggit mo yung AI. Siyempre, hindi tayo AI dito dahil tayo yung nagbibigay ng emosyon dito sa laro. And that's why paganda na paganda itong ating do or die Thursday.
And ito mga kasama natin, the third member of our panel na nag-iisang Penelope Wilhelmina na hindi rin AI, di ba? Kaya kamustahin natin siya. Kaya Penelope, you know now what to do. Ben?
And for that, ako pa rin, I will be also manning the sidelines for our main event. Mamaya, babalikan ko kayo para sa update, para sa Parañaque Pelicans and Hustle Rising Suns. Enzo, Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Penelope. And yun nga, babalikan nga natin siya mamaya for her updates on the two teams na maglalaban-laban, looking to vie for the final spot ng ating playoffs dito sa ating semi-final round. But let's look at the playoff picture right here, Coach Pancho. You can see one last spot remaining.
Yes, one last spot. But ito sa kabila, kompleto na. Pampanga Delta will face the fellow Kapampangan team, Louis Von Kapampangan. Ito, we're down to the last do-or-die game between the Hustle Rising Suns, who forced a decider over the Parañaque Pelicans.
Yes, and that's why ang ating game story for this evening is a very, very, very simple concept. The last ticket goes to...
Yes, the last ticket goes to between those two teams, Hustle Rising Suns and Parañaque Pelicans. So expect a lot of fireworks in this main game that we have here in this do-or-die ball game, Enzo.
Yes, and let's go back to their first game last Sunday dito para sa Hustle Rising Suns, where they won over the Parañaque Pelicans 89-85. They breathed life to their campaign with that victory.
Yes, a slim winning margin, 4-point winning margin for the Hustle Rising Suns. Look at the field goal percentage and the 3-point field goal percentage, to be exact. Look at this, they have less attempts but more conversion. And the Parañaque Pelicans fell in love with the 3-point shots. That's why, yun yung naging decider doon. And that's why itong Hustle Rising Suns won that ball game. And that's why magkaroon tayo dito ng do-or-die ball game.
Yes, and let's look at the marquee matchup, Coach Pancho, between two of the snipers na magkabilang koponan. Ernie Pineda for Hustle Rising Suns and itong si RJ Ronel Guerrero for the Parañaque Pelicans. Two of the best 3-point shooters in this league.
Yes, that's right. Nagkaroon tayo ng shootout in Pampanga. As we take a look at those numbers, look at those 22 points and 21 points for the both of them, and then with rebounds and assists. But yung 3 points made, they are the leading 3-point shooter on that game from their respective teams.
Yes, and let's see how those two can knock down threes in this very crucial game. But now let's turn it over to Penelope Wilhelmina for the updates before we start this game on the two teams facing off. Penelope, go ahead.
Maya Pabengi, Enzo, Coach Pancho, at mga kabalen na mga kasinag. Even before the start of the season, it has been the goal of the Hustle Rising Suns to begin enough to make it to the finals. And to make it happen, Coach John Ross told his boys to do not mind their personal performances and mag-focus lamang sa sistema ng team. At para sa panig ng Parañaque Pelicans, Coach Cesar Babasa mentioned na nag-focus daw sila sa depensa ng training nila dahil yun daw ang kulang sa kanila on their last battle between the Hustlers. Coming up is the battle between the Hustle Rising Suns versus the Parañaque Pelicans. I'm turning you over now to Cesar Aquino for our SINAG Liga Asya Super Starters of the Game, powered by Converge.
Good evening, mga kasinag! We are live here at BREN Convention Center, City of San Fernando, Pampanga. Featuring first game of quarterfinal round between Hazel Rising Sun Florida Blanca against Parañaque Pelicans. Starting with Parañaque Pelicans. Wearing jersey number 26, Ronel John Guerrero. And following number 24, Angelo Obuyes. Following wearing jersey number 18, Jeffrey Santos. Again, following wearing jersey number 10, Maynard Olaño. Then following number 40, Carl Leva. Got a head coach, Mr. Cesar Babasa. And now, let me meet your Hazel Rising Sun Florida Blanca. And first, number 17, Harvey Salvador. And following number 19, Harvey Santos. Following wearing jersey number 6, Jean Layu. And following wearing jersey number 28, Ernie Finada. Following wearing jersey number 29, Emmanuel Pangan. And head coach, Mr. John Rose de la Cruz. Assistant coach, Redentor Bautista. And assistant coach, Peter Aguilar, Luigi Tapang, and Team Florentado. And three-man in the court, Mr. Michael Doreta, referee John Banaya, and referee Jess Borrasa.
And here are your SINAG starters of the game, powered by Converge for Hustle Rising Suns. They're starting with Speedy, Harvey Salvador, Ernie Pineda, Jean Layog, Harvey Santos, and Eman Pangan para naman din sa Parañaque. They start with Angelo Obuyes, RJ Guerrero, Maynard Oliano, Joffrey Santos, and Hans Quirido. As eto nga, who will book their final ticket to the semifinals round? Will it be the number 6 seed, Hustle Rising Suns Florida Blanca, or will it be the number 3 seed, Parañaque Pelicans, as Guerrero right away firing a three-pointer right there. Obuyes drives. Obuyes bothered by the defense of Layug and Santos. Ito Harvey Salvador. Masyadong mabilis kasi sa bola.
Oo, medyo nauna yung bola sa kanya. And then,
as Ernie Pineda misfires, partially deflected right there by Obuyes.
So both teams starting off with the three-point shots.
Sabi nga natin, di ba, shoot out natin, di ba?
So gusto nilang ituloy dito.
Look at that action on the floor.
Yes, oh.
Layug and Quirido. There's a near steal there. It is a turnover para sa Parañaque. Good defense by the Rising Suns.
Yes. So medyo rough start gaya nung first game natin kanina medyo hindi ba maganda dahil first 2 possessions nila medyo no basket was were converted. Ito, another 3-point shots na naman. But this time,
Harvey Salvador knocks it down for the first 3 points of the ball game. And you can hear another Kapampangan team, itong Hustle Rising Suns representing Florida Blanca, Pampanga.
yeah, it was Harvey Santos who actually
Harvey Santos. And ito Harvey Salvador on the other end.
Two Harveys.
Harvey
getting back-to-back basket to start this ball game for Hustle Rising Suns.
Yes, and look at the bench. Energized na energized. Etong Hustle Rising Suns. Of course, momentum is on their side after that victory, di ba?
And also the crowd.
Yes.
Di ba? Dahil nandito tayo sa Pampanga.
Nakikita naman natin yung factor ng crowd kanina ng first game, di ba?
Yes.
Oliano taking it on his own at the post. He'll troop to the line for 2 free throws right here.
Probably the tallest player on the floor right now dito. You can see Oliano.
Yes. Maynard Oliano, number 10 for Parañaque Pelicans. So in today's ball game, Parañaque won't be playing without Jigs Quirido.
Yes, and that's why itong si Maynard Oliano starting this ball game. Who did not play nung last game nila?
So comeback in player, nawala. Tatlong big man actually nawala for Parañaque today. No J.R. Rivera, no Jigs Quirido, and still no Noel Aguimeñi. Na yun yung player na hindi natin maalala. Elimination.
Yeah, that's right. This guy, si Maynard Oliano, will play a lot of minutes dito para kay Coach Cesar Babasa.
Ready yan si Oliano, di ba? Start ng season nila, daming times na Parañaque played with kulang-kulang na players, di ba? Harvey. That's Harvey Salvador. Sa dalawa si Harvey nga pala sa simula nito. Hustle as Obuyes knocks down that pull-up three-pointer.
First conversion from the three-point area coming from Angelo Obuyes. So, itong dalawang teams na to talagang nagpapakita agad ng kanilang three-point prowess to start this ball game.
Shoot out talaga, di ba? Harvey gives it to the other Harvey. They swing it around. Emma jumper, no good. Good rebound right there with Joffrey, but he throws it to Pangan.
Yes. Quick outlet, but to the wrong guy. Yes.
Salvador goes to Layug, and there was a foul. I believe on Hans Quirido. The only Quirido that will be fielded in this ball game. Kaya Kuya Jigs is not on the lineup.
Wala yung mga key big men ni Coach Cesar Babasa dito, which could have been a big factor para sa kanila, syempre, especially in this do or die. That's why, a lot will be expected dito para kay Maynard Oliano, who is the starting center, will man the paint for the Parañaque Pelicans.
Look at that step back three-pointer by Harvey Santos. Unfortunately, misfires. Guerrero sizing up the defender, decides to attack. The floater off the glass is good for Ronel.
Yes, good decision for RJ Guerrero to not take that three-point shot because he was well covered at madikit yung depensa. He decided to drive it strong. That's why nakakuha pa siya ng basket doon off a floater.
On the other end, Ernie Pineda launches a three-pointer and misses. Shootout talaga between these two. Sila nagbabantayan. Yung match made in heaven itong dalawa ng Coach Pancho.
So we'll see kung sino mas maraming conversion dahil yung last game nila, yun yung naging story. Diba? A lot of outside shots has been taken, mid-range, three-point shots, but doon nagkatalo sa conversion. 4-point winning margin lang ang nangyari doon for Hustle. But even though 4-point winning margin, they decided to have this do-or-die ball game.
Look at that drive by Pineda. Binawian itong si Guerrero. So the shooters are showing na we're also scorers ng Coach Pancho.
Yes.
Joffrey couldn't knock it down. Pangan with the board.
So I'm not seeing the usual half-court sets dito for both teams. Medyo minamadali nila yung mga offense nila. And every time na may open for opportunity for three-point shot, talagang they will not hesitate but they will take it instead.
And actually, hindi ko masabi favors one team kasi both of these teams are fast-paced teams. Let's look at this drive of the quarter brought in by Fulton. Our official mobility partner sa SINAG Liga ASYA, Ernie Pineda, was even looking for a foul.
Yes, over the big guy, Oliano. Si Maynard Oliano, may challenge doon, but the sidestepping move, ganda ng footwork doon.
Quick substitution, the patented quick substitution by Coach J.R. De La Cruz. Pinasok niya itong si another Santos, Dave Santos. So there's two Harveys and there's two Santos on the floor for Pampanga, for Florida Blancas. What a block right there by Harvey Santos. And last touch pa doon si Guerrero.
Wow. Great defensive stop by the Hustle Rising Suns dito. At early on, talagang pinapakita nila dito yung kanilang hustle at energy dito. But we'll see. But lamang pa rin naman yung Parañaque Pelicans dito by just 1 point.
Yes. Of course, playing inspired basketball. Itong Hustle Rising Suns didn't even thought that they would make it here, di ba?
Yes.
Sa playoffs. But now they're in a position to get to the semis. Again, look at that! Harvey Santos, say it with your chest, young man.
Yes, and that was because of their pure hard work.
Ronel 0 for 3 now to start off this game from the three-point arc. The number 1 three-point shooter in this league in terms of field goal makes.
Right. Ito si RJ Guerrero is a volume shooter. But once he gets his rhythm, magtutuloy-tuloy yan. But speaking of that,
the Harvey shot continues. And look at that!
Another block.
Layug just swallows Obuyes right there.
Wow.
Whole ball na all ball eh.
Yes, oo. Well read. Yung gagawin ni Angelo Obuyes yun. Another great timing, di ba? So ito nakakadalawang block shots na rito ang Hustle Rising Suns in this first quarter so far.
Yes, and Parañaque looking like deer in headlights no Coach Pancho. Nabigla sila dito sa Hustle Rising Suns.
Yes, and that's why itong si Coach Cesar Babasa not wasting any time tapping the services of Hans Maikong.
Oo. His two-way player. And also itong si CJ Garcia as Ubuyes couldn't knock down his second. And ito, Speedy Harvey on the run. So he didn't have numbers. Ernie spins away, puts it up. No good. Harvey Santos puts it up and in.
Again. The energy, the hustle, pure hard work. Harvey Santos.
Grabe. Grabe talaga mga Santos dito sa Pampanga ng Coach Pancho.
Yes.
I'm gonna bring back that saying ko. As Maikong still misfires. Again, itong Parañaque struggling from the field.
Yes, and maganda yung depensa ang binibigay ng Hustle Rising Suns, ha?
Harvey Santos with a heat check right there. But andun, Dave Santos couldn't knock down that putback.
Yes. Even though maraming shots na may miss itong Hustle Rising Suns. But again, because of their hustle, nakakakuha sila ng mga second chance points because of the offensive rebounds.
Yes. Look at this. Sabi mo nga, hustle and offensive rebound. Look at that. Harvey Santos. Ang ating power play of the quarter brought to you by Converge Fiber X. Experience better with Converge.
Oh, good heads-up play.
Oo. Ernie bumps into Oliano. Pineda blocked by Oliano. And underneath, that's a traveling violation on Jean Layu.
Yes, but that time, itong si Maynard Oliano, manning the paint very well, bothering those shots, not giving up enough space dun sa baseline. That's why bumalik sa kanila yung possession.
Oh, near steal right there. So Parañaque keeps the possession alive. Joffrey goes to Garcia. Christopher spins, drops it off to Joffrey Santos. Santos jumper in and out.
Yes. Itong Hustle Rising Suns not giving up a lot of good angles dito for the Parañaque Pelicans. That's why 4 shots ang binibigay.
Joffrey puts it up and that's a and one play for Joffrey Santos. May Santos din daw ang Parañaque, sabi ni Joffrey.
And that was an easy call. Good call by our referee right there. Dahil gumagalaw si Harvey Santos that time. Look at this. Umaatras siya doon noong time na yun.
Oo, yan ang ating move of the quarter brought to you by Kaito Cement, the official cement partner ng SINAG Liga Asya. Sing solid ng semento ng Kaito. Yung move na yun.
Solid na
Joffrey
solid
Santos.
talaga. Oo.
Grabe talaga mga Santos, no? Throwback. Throwback. Lloyd Domingo, Coach JR, opting to go big bodies right here. Pinasok na niya ang kanyang bruiser na si Lloyd Domingo on the floor. Matching physicality with size. Sheer size na Coach Pancho.
Yes, and nilabas naman ni Coach Cesar Mabasa si Maynard Oliano. So nagpalit din ng front court ang Parañaque Pelicans.
So as Bautista tries to drop it off, that ends up in a turnover. Right here, good Euro step move right here by Christopher Garcia. Garcia will troop to the line because he is their best scorer off the bench. Talking about CJ Garcia for Parañaque. The offense is there for Parañaque, Coach Pancho, but last game, nawala. Lahat yung mga tutukan na tira nila in that second half, ang dami nilang 3-point shots just clanging off the rim.
Yes, and that's why ito si Coach Cesar Mabasa will expect a lot dito para kay Christopher Garcia, who actually scored 16 points. The second leading scorer ng last game nila off the bench. Playing in just 20 minutes of action. That's what Chris Garcia can give you. Quality game.
16 points off the bench in 20 minutes.
Yes.
16 points in 20 minutes. Can you explain to me how efficient is that?
Yes.
Diba?
Efficiency, plus 14 lang naman.
Grabe, diba? Lang naman.
Oo. But that was not enough for them to salvage that win.
Yes. Alfaro gives it to Double T. Tristan drives. Natapek, and that's good defense right there by Parañaque for forcing a 24-second shot clock violation. And that's the Parañaque defense that we all know and love na Coach Pancho.
That's the Parañaque Pelicans defense na nakita natin nung eliminations. Yung kanilang quick defensive rotation. Yun yung nangyari doon sa last play na yun.
Dito naman sa offensive side, they have only converted 1 3-point make right here. But Ronaldo can change that. And he does, knocking down his first 3 of the ball game.
Wow, instant offense dito.
Another RJ Reynaldo.
Yes.
Diba?
Oo, kasi kanina medyo inaalat si RJ Guerrero but meron pa silang isang RJ.
RJ.
Merong dalawang Santos, may dalawang Harvey, tatlong Santos pala at may dalawang RJ.
Oo. Grabe, tatlong Santos, dalawang Harvey, dalawang RJ. Sayang lang, isa lang yung Quirido, dalawa sana yung Quirido.
Oo, pero isa lang, Enzo.
Oo.
Isa lang ang
Isa lang.
papasok sa semifinals dito
Yes.
after this game. At kakaharapin nila ang nag-iintay na NBS Slashers.
Will be on Sunday, the semifinals round, and parehong laro na yon. Will be knockout. Knockout semifinals yun. Entering the finals na winner take all din. So one game na lang.
Grabe, no? Parang ang bilis ng panahon. No? Parang kaka-umpisa lang natin, kaka-opening lang natin dito sa
Oo.
loob ng BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Eto, patapos na tayo ng quarterfinals. Nagsisimula na tayo ng semis.
Yes. Arvin gets stripped by Reynaldo. Good defense by RJ. And there's a foul on double T, Tristan Tubangi.
Yes. Reach-in foul para kay Tristan Tubangi. At kanina nga, medyo nakakwentuhan ko konti yung father ni Tristan Tubangi. And, you know, I felt the excitement ng pagiging tatay niya.
Yes.
And syempre, yun nga, gaya na sinabi mo kanina, gaya na sinabi ni Coach JR, hindi nila in-expect to.
Oo.
Parang bonus na lang sa kanila to. When, why not? Nandito na sila. Hindi na nila sasayangin.
Yes. As Floyd
Oh.
couldn't finish, but Dave Santos with a rebound. Dave couldn't join the scoring party. Here comes Parañaque.
Wow.
Look at that, Maicon! Fearless drive by
Yes.
Hans.
This is the impact that he can bring dito sa Parañaque Pelicans. That's why they are so successful sa eliminations. And coming into the quarterfinals, maganda rin nilalaro niya but they came up short ng last game nila. But in this ball game, alam niya yung consequence eh. So that's why he's playing so hard. That's why he finished at that strong drive.
Grabe, oh. Ang ating drive of the quarter brought to you by Photon, the official mobility partner of SINAG Liga Asya. Kasing tulid ng mga sasakyan sa Photon yung drive na yun ni Maicon, no, Coach Pancho.
Yes.
Unfortunately, couldn't convert the free throw.
At medyo hindi pa maganda yung game niya nung last game ha.
Yes.
Pero yung numbers niya, 9 points.
Totoo.
Nag-struggle pa siya ron.
Oo. Pero yung defense din naman eh. Role player itong si Hans Maicon, di ba? But when needed to score, he will score. Eto, Joffrey. Big steps to the basket. Joffrey puts it up and in.
Yes, this is where Parañaque Pelicans is dangerous pagdating sa open floor because all of the players ni Coach Cesar Babasa, even the big guys, can run down the floor and finish a fast break. And not only that, they can hit their outside shots as well.
Oo. Ay, outside shot baka mo. One of the best in the league din yan. Ito si Alfaro. Unfortunately, David couldn't knock it down. But speaking of which, kanina, may napansin pala ako. A pro player was actually watching the game pala kanina. The first game natin, nagulat ako. Mac Montilla was right here.
Yes, oo.
You can see Coach Cesar
Oo,
Babasa.
kasama niya si Coach Cesar eh.
Oo.
Kasi from the south yan, si Mac.
Yes.
Who played for Muntinlupa.
Yes.
From different leagues, professional.
Professional
So, Mac,
league.
you know, playing, giving his support dito para sa Parañaque Pelicans.
Oo. Pero dito naman, iba din talaga ang suporta ng mga kabali ng mga
Yes.
Kapampangan, which gives me a lot of excitement for Sunday's matchup between Pampanga Delta and Luid 1.
Right.
Another Pampanga Classico.
Oo, Pampanga Classico. But in this ball game, Hustle Rising Suns
Oo.
has been getting a lot of offensive rebounds because they're crashing the boards. Even the small guys ni Coach JR De La Cruz talagang lahat they're you know, getting those offensive rebounds para sa kanila. At ito, lamang ng 4 ang Parañaque Pelicans.
20-16, 29.6 seconds remaining in this first period.
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Ako si Rodi Santos para sa SINAG Liga 40. Game na!
SINAG Lakas 40. We will have two divisions, the Open Division and the Executives division. If you're interested in joining, please contact those numbers on your screen or email us at sinagasiasports@gmail.com.
Yes.
Marami na daw kanina. May number na binanggit si Chairman Sir
nagulat
Rocky.
nagulat ako kay boss kanina. Napatanong ulit ako. And speaking of
Speaking of
boss,
boss,
siyempre, yung birthday boy natin. Advance
Yes.
happy birthday kay Boss Ray.
Ang ating President and CEO, Boss Ray Alam, our Chairman, Sir Rocky Jan, and Sir Rambo Fausto, who will likely field a team for Sinag Lakas 40.
Dagdagan pa. Gusto ko
Oo.
sanang banggitin yung numbers na sinabi sa akin, Boss Rocky. Tinanong ko kung ilang teams na ba meron tayo
Gulat ako.
sa executive division. Nagulat ako. Napatanong ulit ako sa kanya. And then, and counting. At gaya niya ni,
And counting pa.
ni Boss Rambo.
Boss Rambo, no? Pero ito ang
Oo.
tanong ko sa'yo. Ano ba, lalaro ka doon?
Laban?
Ah!
Oo, laban tayo dyan.
Antay ko lang. Anong team? The Pancho Alfonso Sweepstakes.
Laban tayo dito. But gaya ng dalawang teams na nandito ngayon na patuloy na lumalaban dito, of course, both teams, hindi nila sinasayang itong mga chances at opportunities na binibigyan ng SINAG Liga Asya. Ito naman, binibigyan tayo ng quality ball game.
Action-packed. Nung Sunday, 4 na quality ball games na experience ng mga kasinag natin
Oo.
ngayon. Dalawa ba, di ba? Look at that, Mike. Another strong drive galing dito sa Parañaque Pelicans. This time, it's another big man. Ito si Eli Dangkalan. Troop to the free throw line for 2. And speaking of the SINAG Lakas 40, let's give a special shout out to our commissioner, Coach Rodney Santos, na tinatrabaho yung SINAG Lakas 40. Sa
Grabe.
Coach Rodney, thank you so much for your hard work. And isipin mo, kakapasok pa lang, kaka-announce pa lang natin na our commissioner will be Coach Rodney Santos. Pero yung sipag niya, di ba?
Perfect man for the job. Si Coach Commissioner Slasher, Coach Rodney Santos.
Grabe. Was a legend in the PBA. Played
Oh,
for Pure Foods, di ba?
Pure Foods, Alaska,
Oo.
Ginebra. Grabe. Who won numerous championships.
The final 3 seconds of the quarter. The ball will remain dito sa Hustle Rising Suns. So Parañaque flip the switch nung pagpasok nitong bagong lima. Si Geoffrey Santos lang yung remaining starter niya. What will the Hustle Rising Suns do? Can they end this first quarter on a high note?
Both teams have a deep lineup kasi dito eh. So that's why ang madami eh. Maano yung bubunutin ng dalawang coaches dito. And as we end the first quarter in this do-or-die ball game that we have here sa ating main event, lamang ng 5 dito ang Parañaque Pelicans after first 10 minutes of action. So,
Yes, lamang ng 6 to start the game. Itong Hustle Rising Suns. Great start for them as we see the first quarter highlight on your screen. It was led by Harvey Santos, yung storm early on itong Hustle Rising Suns. The two Harveys actually, Santos and Salvador. But then, on the other end, RJ Guerrero, si RJ Reynaldo, Angelo Obuyes, Geoffrey Santos for Parañaque Pelicans. Immediately exploded, di ba, Coach Pancho?
immediate impacts, the 2 Harveys, the 3 Santoses, and the 2 RJs. Oh.
Yes, and that's why lamang na 5 dito ang Parañaque Pelicans, 21-16 after the end of the first quarter dito sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Ganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Player to watch para dito sa Hustle Rising Suns is none other than Speedy Harvey Salvador. 13 points, 6 rebounds, 4 assists, 3 steals, 50% from the field, Coach.
Look at that. Starting point guard dito para kay Coach JR. Doing it all para sa team nila, and that's why they are still playing here, and that's why they're still surviving. At ito, lumalaban pa sila sa isang semifinal seat.
Oo. And I think the reason why, I haven't confirmed it with Coach JR De La Cruz, pero the reason why is a good basket right there by Floyd Domingo. But I think the reason why sinasabi ni Coach JR De La Cruz na they never thought they'd be here kasi for most part of the elimination round, they were in the outside looking in, Coach Pancho, di ba?
Yes, in fact, they were at the 8th and 9th seed. Nakita ko pa sila dun sa standing na yun. And then
Oo.
they worked.
May 10 seed pa nga, di ba?
They worked their way up talaga because of their hard work. And grabe din kasi talaga yung dedication ng mga players ni Coach JR De La Cruz dito sa Hustle Rising Suns. And, you know, look, as we take a look at this,
Grabe yung
replay.
kalong yun.
Oo, no? Lloyd Domingo carving up a lot of space inside.
Look at that. Hans Quirido. Offensive rebound and putback is no good. And that has been the quarterfinal round para dito sa kay Hans. Hirap siyang makascore inside, which is normally sure 2 points for him, di ba? And there's a traveling violation here on David Alfaro.
Yes, maganda yung defense na binigay ni Christopher Garcia doon. That's why forcing another turnover, traveling violation dito.
And now let's turn it over to Penelope Wilhelmina for her second quarter report. Ben?
Enzo, Coach Pancho, a while ago, I spoke to RJ Guerrero of Parañaque Pelicans, and I asked him, what differs RJ Guerrero apart from other players in this league? And he answered me, sobrang vocal lang daw niya sa pagbibigay ng advice sa kanyang teammates as a veteran and as a captain of the team because he believes that a team without a leader is like a ship without a captain. I-expect daw natin ang pisikal na Parañaque, ang mas mapisikal na Parañaque Pelicans because this is literally a do-or-die game. Dagdag pa niya. Enzo, Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Penelope, for that report on RJ Guerrero. And, you know, one thing din na pwede ding expectations as a leader for RJ Guerrero is the experience din naman ng Coach Pancho. Again, this is a player that has professional basketball experience and once had 11 3-point makes and 41 points in a game in a pro league.
Take
diba?
note, record holder.
Yes, record holder pa yun.
Yes, and that's
still
why
stands.
Coach Cesar Mabasa has full trust on this guy. And in fact, there were some games where Coach Cesar Mabasa is absent. Diba?
Kapatid
Absent siya ron.
niya. Kapatid niya
Oo.
nagmando,
Pero
diba?
yung mga players niya yung naglilid doon. At isa doon, si RJ Guerrero.
And they won that game. I remember that game that was against Luwid 1 Kapampangan. They only had 8 players and wala si Coach Cesar. And yet they won. That was the game where RJ scored 29, Jello Obuye scored 26, J.R. Rivera scored 21 and 12. Diba?
That's the, you know, it only shows the system, the
Yes.
trust that he has given into his team. That's why medyo successful sila rito in this SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 Cup, and they ended up the elimination
Number 3.
at number 3 spot, di ba?
Yes. But right now, they find themselves in a little bit of a hole dahil nga momentum, dahil nga natalo sila dun sa game na kung saan dapat may twice to beat sila by Hustle Rising Suns.
Yes.
Diba? And I saw the face of Coach Cesar after the game. He was disappointed in his men, but look at that. Double T in that hop step to the basket.
Yes. And you know what, kanina, kasalubong si Coach Cesar Babasa, he is so confident in this ball game. Even though Hustle Rising Suns had their numbers, di pa sila nananalo sa Hustle Rising Suns. Dalawang
Yes.
beses na sila
Oo.
tinatalo dito. But according to Coach Cesar Babasa, isang talo lang nila.
Oo.
Out na sila sa contention. Parañaque Pelicans just one win away to, you know, to dispose the Hustle Rising Suns.
Look at this drive of the quarter brought to you by Photon, our official mobility partner. Kaya-kaya sa Photon. What a drive by Tristan Tumbangi. And to your point, Coach Pancho, Ronel knocks down his first three-pointer. Kanina, yung Luwid 1 Kapampangan has never defeated Laguna Dasa Vexios Construction. They were 0-2. But that's win
Same
kanina.
situation.
Oo, diba? Yun na yun eh.
Kumbaga, sabi nila, kung nakakadalawa na kayo sa akin, eto, isang talo lang ninyo, out na kayo.
Oo, sa pinaka-importanting
Oo.
laro, di ba? Tatalunin namin kayo. And actually, etong laro na to, this is the only spot they're vying for, that last spot sa semifinals. Number 1, 2, and 4 have already qualified. Di ba? Kaya are the top 4 teams ng ating elimination round makaka-qualify for the semis.
Yes.
Parañaque can qualify or Hustle. Do they have something of their own right here? Early Pineda. Oh, misses that gimme.
Yes, medyo na-bother siya doon sa presence ni RJ Guerrero. Although hindi naman challenge siya,
Oh.
but the presence alone, you know, can, you know, play a factor, especially on that possession.
Oh, that's a hard fall by Hans
Oo.
Maikong, but katibay nito ni Maikong. Tayo agad eh. Are our referees going to review that? Coach Cesar is asking for one. Look at this move by Maikong kanina. Barreled through Pangan there. I believe they are going to review it. They're going, they signal the review. Right here, they're going back to the IRS. Right here. 6 minutes and 40 seconds, a 6-point lead. Para dito sa Parañaque Pelicans, 28-22. Habang nasa IRS system sila, Coach Pancho, let's just greet ang mga kasinag natin na nagbo-birthday ngayon kay Dana Cortez. Happy birthday, Dana. Kay Monet Fuentes Reynera, ang kapatid ni Boss Arnel Fuentes. Happy birthday po. Galing kay Kuya Arnel Fuentes. Kapatid ni Kuya Arnel na si Ma'am Monet Fuentes Reynera. And of course, ang nag-iisa nating TD. Happy birthday to Henry Toti Solis.
Yun.
Kuya Toti.
Happy birthday.
Belated happy birthday.
Belated happy birthday. And habol ko rin habang meron tayong officials review dito, batiin ko lang din yung mga member ng yung grupo namin na shot puno. Si Maui and Mia, happy birthday to the both of you. Maui and Mia, and happy birthday, enjoy your day.
And speaking of happy birthday, ilang oras na lang, 51st birthday na ng ating napaka-pogi, napakasipag, at syempre napaka-humble Presidente and CEO. Walang iba kundi si Boss Ray Alao. Of course, Boss Ray, on behalf of SINAG Liga ASYA family, happy birthday.
Yes.
On the
happy
personal
birthday.
side, Daddy Ray, happy birthday. And alam mo naman, love na love kita.
Yes, happy birthday and thank you, Boss Ray.
The real SINAG, no? Ang ray of
naman,
light.
si Boss Sinag.
Oo. Boss SINAG. 51 years old, diba?
Wala talaga sa itsura. No?
Oo. And sa laro, sa basketball,
Oo.
diba, kita mo naman, kaya pa makipagsabay sa dalawang anak niya eh.
Yes.
Kay Murta kay Ernest.
Grabe.
Diba? Pero ito, common foul lang kanina yung naipito.
Regular foul lang.
Yes. Arvin, three-pointer. Arvin Bautista shooting, shot the ball well from 3 last game as Ubuyes gets the basket, plus a foul right there.
Yes, with a little bit of body language that enabled him to, get that basket in.
May heart pa sa camera. Sa camera.
Sayang ko yung moment.
Tingnan natin dito. Cielo receives it, no dribble needed. Yan ang ating move of the quarter brought to you by Kaito Cement. Another player with pro experience para dito.
One of the leaders then as well.
And their true floor general. Last game, natamo niya na agad yung kanyang 4th personal foul. No first half pa lang, Coach Pancho, kaya Coach Cesar, hindi na siya ginamble the entire second half eh. Hindi nga siya pinasok noong 3rd quarter. 4th quarter na lang siya pinasok. And that might have played a factor. I think that did play a factor kung bakit Parañaque struggled kasi their floor general, their point guard, was not on the floor for the most part of the game.
Eto, nabigyan siya ng pagkakataon doon na after ng miss free throw, nagkaroon ng lane violation.
Yes. Arvin, look at the dance with Guerrero.
8 seconds na shot clock, pero malayo yung bola. And yun na nga, turnover.
Naiwanan niya si Guerrero, pati yung bola na Coach Pancho.
Yes, medyo matagal yung bola sa kanya at ang layo ng bola sa ring.
Yes.
And walang movements din
And
for the Hustle Rising Suns.
And that comes with the inexperience nga, Coach Pancho, diba? Some of the players nga, Coach JR said, some of the players, first time makaapak sa ganitong liga na ganito yung pressure that comes with it. Eto nga sila, Ubuyes, Guerrero, diba? Sanay na eh. They have this experience under their belt. So, Hustle showing a little bit of inexperience in the start of this do-or-die game. But wala pa rin pinagbago sa kanilang defense. And speaking of defense, what a block right there. The second block for Jin Layog. On Ubuyes pa. Dalawang block niya kay Ubuyes.
Yes, it's si Jin Layog using his length that time against the shorter Angelo Ubuyes. But, still a 10-point lead dito for Parañaque Pelicans.
32-22 at the midway point of the second quarter dito sa SINAG Liga ASYA.
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
This 2023 SINAG Liga Asya is brought to you by J Project Clothing Shop, the official outfit of SINAG Liga Asya, and of course, Photon, our official mobility partner, kayang-kaya sa Photon. As you can see, some of the Hustle Rising Suns fans in attendance, ang mga kabalin nandirito na to support itong kapwa kabalin team nila, ang Florida Blanca Hustle Rising Suns. And of course, ang mga dumayo galing pang Paranaque, Coach Pancho.
Yes, yan yung mga Paranaque faithfuls.
Parang ano,
Familiar faces, ha?
Yes,
Talagang
actually.
solid supporters ng Paranaque Pelicans yan.
Joffrey open look.
Oh!
Knocks it down! 4-point play
Wow.
opportunity for Joffrey Santos.
Yes, a rare 4-point play. And what a play design and what an execution.
80. Oh, Coach Pancho, di ba? Look at that. Simple pass. No one close to Joffrey Santos. At yan ang ating shot of the quarter brought to you by Finn Cotton, our official sneaker partner. Finn Cotton moves with you. Boss Paul, shout out.
Yes, Finn Cotton. Paul de la Fuente.
Ito. Ernie kicks it to Salvador. They drop it off. Fajardo muscling his way.
Look at that. Triple team.
Oh, Joshua Fajardo.
Another wide-bodied player ni Coach J.R. de la Cruz. Aside from
Oh!
Troy Domingo. Wow.
Ubuyes gets the friendly roll while falling down pa yun, ha?
Wow, this is the biggest lead of the ball game dito. 17-point lead na, Enzo.
Yes, and Hustle Rising Suns can't get a basket.
Yes, look at that. There's crumbling and mumbling dito sa kanilang opensa. But ito namang Paranaque Pelicans flying high, especially Hans Maikong.
Grabe. What energy being given right here by Hans Maikong. Their literal energy guy for Coach Cesar Babasa, no? Talagang pagpasok is spark coming off the bench. And he reminds me, yung profile niya reminds me a lot of one of the players na hinawakan ni Coach Cesar sa mga pro leagues, ha? Chris Minguez.
Yes.
Energy guy, lengthy, can play inside, outside, can play the 4, 3, and even the 2 position, di ba, Coach Pancho?
The versatility, malaking bagay yan sa isang player. And you'll go places kahit pupunta ka pa sa iba't ibang team, iba't ibang sistema. If you're a versatile player, you know.
RJ.
Ito na-excite.
At tinatawa na siya ni Coach Cesar ngayon. Minsan lang yung matawa si Coach Cesar mid-game. Yes, bakit nga naman hindi? His team is doing well in this first half, di ba?
Oh, and ito, they're starting to pull away. And they're starting to put away the game as well dito. Pinoy step ni Harvey.
Yes, Harvey Salvador right there. Joseph Al, binawian itong si Maiko.
Oh, si Tristan Tobangi pala yung nag-Pinoy step.
Pareho kasi yung height na pinagkaya mo.
Oo, tsaka yung katawan eh.
Yung katawan, pareho-pareho, no? Double T and itong si Speedy Harvey Salvador. As, eto, pampatapat siguro ni Coach Cesar kay Harvey at kay Tristan.
Si Eli Dangkalan. Pinasok na.
Ito, the record holder for the most rebounds in a game sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Yes,
with
I mean si Eli Dangkalan pinasok
Eli
na.
Dangkalan pinasok. Pero ito, the 5'9"
Eto
Justin
na.
Pelayo and also si Padrin pinasok na rin.
Yes, if you have an 18-point lead, you have the luxury now to field in your, seldom used players and give them some chance and feel the playoff, atmosphere dito. And why not? That might, pave the way for them to bring contributions as well.
Funny story dito kay Justin Pelayo. Nung na-break niya yung rebound record ni Steele, 22 kasi yung kay Sunny eh. Biglang binrake ni Justin Pelayo with 23. Sabi ko kay Sunny, uy, na-break record mo ah. He was expecting a big man. Nung sinabi ko yung Justin Pelayo, sabi niya, yung 5'9 lang.
Nagulat siya.
Diba? Ay, kagaya nag-rebound agad, diba?
Dahil hindi big man eh.
Oo. 5'9", 23 rebounds, diba? My goodness.
And these are born 2001 players.
Ernie Pineda knocks down. Actually, Justin Pelayo is just 20 years old. Diba? Batang-bata pa itong Pelayo na to. Padrid bumps against Harvey Santos. Blocked by Layo.
Yes. Again, that's his third block this ball game.
Kita mo yung length ng layog, no? Oh, right here, there's some color developing right here between the players.
And we know the Parañaque Pelicans players, they are so physical, you know. At hindi nagba-backdown yan, yung mga players ni Coach Cesar Babasa. But ito,
Double technical
yes,
ata.
oo.
Pelayo and itong si Pineda. Kakapasok pala nito ni Pelayo. But
Yes.
Coach Cesar asking for a replay. May sinasabi siya. Dun sa play na yun, may konting parang tama daw kay Pelayo.
And let's hear from the crowd.
Oo. One of the best crowds talaga dito sa BREN GUIAO, di ba?
Yes.
Of course, nilalabanan sila ng Santa Cruz, Laguna. Dalawang beses na pumunta tayo sa Santa Cruz. My bad.
Sayang, you know, hindi nagtagpo sa playoffs ang Pampanga at Laguna.
Kanina.
Semifinals.
Oo. Sayang eh. That would have been a big.
Tsaka yung yung home in a way, no? Yung ganun. Ang ganda sana nun, di ba? Let's take a look at this.
The foul was already whistled there, pero tuloy-tuloy pa rin yung dalawa
Yan,
maglaro.
may whistle na dyan. Ito yung mga extra motions.
Yun yung, I think nirereklamo
Yan.
ni Coach Cesar, yung pag-swing ng bola pa ni Ernie Pineda,
Yes.
which Pelayo took exception to a little bit, nagka-stare
Yes.
down pa yung dalawa.
At wala naman, nagkaroon lang ng bump and then naawat naman.
As our referee right here trying to clarify the call. So I believe the foul was on Justin Pelayo for the initial drive ni Ernie Pineda. And I think magkaka-double technical, if I'm not mistaken, na Coach Pancho, on both Pineda and Pelayo.
Yun yung sinignal kanina.
Oo. Coach Cesar asking for an explanation right there. And
Pero it was very clear naman doon sa ating officials review.
oh no, I think it's just a technical on Ernie Pineda. Walang technical kay Justin Pelayo. So it is, yun nga, foul on Pelayo and a technical on Ernie Pineda for that swing of the basketball towards Pelayo's head after the whistle, second motion. But yun, Guerrero still struggles from the field. Tinatawanan na siya ng mga Parañaque teammates niya. The arguably best scorer, the #1 scorer sa SINAG Liga ASYA. Ito, kapampangan crowd.
Yes, pero dapat hindi sila mag-relax dito because we know Hustle Rising Suns, they have the capability to come back, especially if they have their crowds sa kanilang side.
Let's look at that drive by Speedy Harvey.
Again,
Pelayo
look
with
at the rebound of Pelayo.
may leaping ability na itong batang to. 5'9". We were comparing players dito, di ba? Ito, perfect comparison. Hindi man siya Phil-Am, pero same height, same leaping ability. Justin Melton of Blackwater Bossing. Di ba? Look at this. There's the miss. Look at Pelayo. Look at that.
Grabe.
What are you eating, Justin Pelayo, to be 5'9" and jump like that? Justin Melton, a former dunk champ in the PBA, di ba? Pwede pa nga. Ano ba height ni Spudweb? 5'6", 5'9". Kasi Spudweb mo 90s, Coach Pancho?
5'7".
5'7". Mas maliit pa pala si Spudweb kay Justin Pelayo. Diba? Grabe. Makes it all more impressive actually. Pero di ba, Pelayo walang dugong Amerikano to kagaya ni Justin Melton. Unlike Justin Melton, di ba? If he could jump like that, what are you eating, di ba? Ano yung kinakain niya?
Yan, maganda itanong.
Ben, patanong. Spring siguro. Spring chicken.
Grabe, tinan mo yung legs.
Totoo eh.
Oh.
Batak eh. Pang football player eh. Those are the legs of a football player. Mga legs ni na Cristiano Ronaldo, nila Messi, di ba? But look at that hang time move dito ni Double T.
Grabe, look at the area battle between those two guys. Itong mga small men dito, very athletic for both teams, sa Hustle at sa Parañaque Pelicans.
Si Tristan Tumbangi at si JL Ray Padrid. Quick substitution, Guerrero.
Yes,
Shoots back to the
magpapahingin
bench.
muna.
Yes, pasok naman. RJ to RJ substitution. RJ Guerrero comes out. RJ Reynaldo comes in. Tristan Tumbangi comes in as our mapper muna. Pupunasan yung konting wet spot dun sa floor. Of course, the health and safety of the players are priority. One more seat remaining dito sa semi-final round. Sino makakatapat ng NBS Slashers?
Oh, to complete our semifinals picture na gagawin this Sunday, right?
Very exciting semi-finals. 2 more game days left sa Born 2001.
Two Pampanga teams assured of the semifinal seat. So will the Hustle Rising Suns be the third Pampanga team, or the Parañaque Pelicans will take that seat and face off with the Slashers NBS.
Yes.
Ay, magandang laban din yun.
Oo. CJ, the kick. Reynaldo, one-handed shot, no go. But an offensive rebound para dito. Kay Dangkalan. Garcia, blocked by Layub. That's his fourth.
Yes. What a rejection by Gene Layub. Erasing that shot.
The block radius, yun yung tinatawag sa NBA. Sila Davis, DeAndre Jordan. Yung block radius nito ni Jim Layug ang haba eh.
Yes, intimidating factor eh. Grabe.
Bawi naman by Dangkalan. Justin. Good defense right there by Ernie Pineda.
Yes.
And look at that. Pineda let him know it. And Guerrero will come back in for Justin Pelayo.
So brief rest dito para kay RJ Guerrero.
Inom lang daw ng tubig, sabi ko Cesar. But let's look at this. Harvey Salvador with the drive and Eli Dangkalan with the block right there for the SED block of the game.
Yes. Perfect timing coming from perfect care for your skin, ha?
Yes.
SED.
Shoutout Ma'am Grace Vargas.
Yes. And
SED.
Tinao, balita ko tinao yung booth nila dun sa World Trade Center. Grabe, kasi ang lapit lang namin dun eh.
Pasay City.
Yes, oo. And yung mga kakilala ko nagpunta doon eh. May mga nakita ko, may mga post sa Facebook eh. Ay, grabe, sa SCB. Yes.
Ma'am
Maganda
Grace,
turnout.
Ma'am Grace, if you're watching, I know someone na pwede maging model nila. As Ernie Pineda picking up his own loose change dun.
Yes.
Tinabol niya, tira niya.
Oo, they're starting to get their momentum right now. They're cutting down the lead to just 13 at meron pang free throw dito. And look at that, simple fake.
Stop it.
Yes.
Stop it talaga. You can see it right there.
The patience over Ernie Pineda that time.
Pinapakita niya, hindi lang siya knockdown shooter, no? Scorer talaga siya. Harvey Santos! Look at that power move.
Again, the offensive rebounding of the Hustle Rising Stars. Talagang they are never giving up for every possession, which is yung tamang gawin dito in order for them to survive this ball game because they are trailing by a double-digit margin.
Yes.
And daanin na lang talaga nila sa sipag. But aside from sipag, they need to convert their free throws.
Yes. As speaking of Coach Pancho, I just want to give this special moment. Shout out to my cousin, Ate Ina Galarosa. Congratulations for giving birth to her first child. Sa aking bagong inaanak, Boti. Welcome to the world.
Is that,
Mari Voltaire Galarosa.
Bali pamangkin mo yun.
Pamangkin ko. The first.
Ay, congratulations.
Ate Ina, congratulations. And also to Justin, your anong tatay ng anak ni Ate Ina. Congratulations, Ate Ina. See you on December. Look at that defense by Eli Dangkalan. Challenging itong si Ernie Pineda.
Yes, that's why walang clean look doon for Ernie Pineda that time sa kanyang drive. But possession will stay with only 17 seconds remaining dito.
Harvey. Oh, what a block by Joffrey.
Wow.
Santos to Santos crime.
Yes.
So right here, that would have been big if Tabagi knocked it down.
Another offensive rebounds for Hustle Rising Stars. But, you know, they need to convert those possession into baskets.
Ito, can they convert here? To Bangi, no good.
Again, another rebound. Finally.
Pineda naman, pero this time hindi na nila nilabas.
After 3 tries.
Oo. Here comes Hustle Rising Suns only down by 9.
Yes, dito talaga sila eh. Dito pa sila kumukuha ng buhay.
Look at that
At
defense
lakas.
right there. And a jump ball. But ball possession arrow goes the way of Parañaque.
Alright, don't look now ha. Just a single-digit lead dito for Parañaque Pelicans. 9-point lead na lang.
That's why Coach Cesar Babasa calls for time. He wants his boys to regroup right here. And the lead is only down to 9, 43-34.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
Ako si Richie Milencio para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Laban ka?
Sinag Lakas 40, we would have two divisions, the Open Division and the Executives Division. If you're interested in joining, contact those two numbers on your screen or email us at sinagasport@gmail.com. And isa lang, Coach Pancho, sasabihin ko sa'yo, game na ba?
Game! Game na. Game na yan. Game na yan. Sinag Lakas 40. Sinag Liga Asya.
We can see our COO, Coach Leo Isaak in and always in attendance, syempre.
Coach Leo. Kumain ka ba? Busy si Coach Leo. Medyo kinakabahan ako pag ganun ng itsura ni Coach Leo. Tutok na tutok sa cellphone. Mukhang nakakahalap na naman ng mga pictures eh.
Ako yung last victim niya, latest victim niya eh. Dalawang beses na ako siya.
Punong-puno na yata yung gallery ng cellphone ni Coach Leo. Coach Leo, medyo bawas-bawas din ha.
A good steal by Tubangi. Tristan,
Wala
in and
pa
out.
rin.
Oo, but Harvey's there to save the day.
Again. That's their signature. Yung kanilang hustle, yung tenacity. Di ba? Doon sila nakakakuha. Hindi sila makapag-convert sa kanilang mga half-court sets. Hindi rin sila makakuha ng opportunity sa transition. Yes. Doon sila nabubuhay sa second chance points.
Right here, RJ Guerrero still yet to hit up from the outside. Isa pa lang ang 3-point conversion niya. Out of the 7 attempts he has fired. Ernie gives it to Harvey. Salvador, that is. Ernie curls to the corner. Three-pointer. Knocks it down!
Whoa.
Here comes the rising sun!
Again, no lead is safe dito sa Sinag Liga Asya Cup. And we've been a witness early. Kanina lang yon, di ba?
Oo. Garcia babawi. No-go Pineda. Tubangi. Nakahigaya kanina.
Wow!
Bigla na lang tumayo. He was saying he got hit pagkakuha na ng bola. Tumakbo. Playing possum. Was it si Tristan Tubangi?
From 17-point lead and now just down to 2.
Oo. Ronel fires. Oh!
Wow!
Soft bounce for RJ Guerrero. That's his second conversion.
Playing the fireman role dito for Parañaque Pelicans. Big basket right there because the momentum is totally nasa Rising Suns na.
Yes. Pineda drives. Pinagpag yung depensa. There's a foul whistle right here. Is it on Reynaldo? But it's nonetheless with the fouls on, it will be 2 free throws for Ernie Pineda dahil penalty na parehong koponan. And
eto, may clarification tayo dito ah.
oh, the referee's going over to the bench.
Because I saw Coach JR De La Cruz so furious at the sidelines ah.
Oh, I think that was yung kaninang play kung bakit natumba nga si Tristan Tubangi before he had that transition layup. Our referee.
Yes. He's trying to prove a point dito against our officials, but we'll see.
See the entire coaching staff.
Yes, so nangyari sa harap ng bench nila eh.
Oo.
But of course, our officials, you know, they will listen and they will want to hear the point of Coach JR and then i-review yan.
And they are going to review it.
Yes.
Tumingin sila sa akin, sabi ko na-review ko daw. They are gonna go. And yung kanina nga, yung tinutukoy na play, what led to Tubangi's layup kanina, yung after nung miss nung Parañaque, kaya na-libre si Tubangi kasi he was down in the center court.
Right.
Saying that he got hit and Coach JR was adamant. He was at mid-court na nga dahil nga nakita niya daw.
Luckily, nakakuha sila ng transition break doon.
Sinuwerte
ng
pa,
basket.
diba?
Oo. And then, but, you know, Coach JR just trying to prove a point or, you know, meron siyang gustong ipaalala lang sa referee na may mga hindi nakikita. Again, do or die ball game eh.
Yes.
Diba? So, every possession is very important dito. Lalong-lalo na. 5 na lang ang lamang ng Parañaque Pelicans eh.
Our referees are watching here, Coach Pancho. Bati lang tayo ng mga nanonood ngayon. All the way from Marikina. Kay John Ray Mendoza, kay Justin Mendoza, Tito Eric Mendoza, and nag-iisang Irisa Jane Mendoza na loyal Sinag fan daw yun. Ewan ko kung bakit. Pero balita ko napaka-loyal daw ng tao na yun. Sobrang loyal. Of course, one of the hardest working people I know and the inspiration kung bakit ako nag-work hard din. Si Irisa Jane Mendoza.
Ayun naman talaga. Alam mo, kailangan talaga natin yan eh. Yung inspiration, di ba? Yan yung nagpo-fuel sa atin para gawin natin yung ating mga duties at to reach our goals as well. Alam ko, Enzo, ikaw, marami kang goals eh.
Yes, of course. And, you know, si Jenna is one of the reasons why I keep on working hard. And sacrifices.
Aside from your family.
Oh,
syempre.
yes. Outside, yun nga, one of the hardest working
Yeah.
persons I know outside of my mom and my dad, diba? Mom and dad ko talaga yung number one. Tied sila. Jenna is up there with them, diba? For a support system like that, hindi mo matatawaran. Kagaya ng support system ng mga players na to, diba? If their families are watching, ito ang Parañaque, diba? Sabi nga natin, familiar faces, dinayo pa from Parañaque.
Yes, oh.
And hindi malapit ang Florida Blanca dito sa
Right.
breakdown, diba?
And also, speaking of inspiration, and so I would like to give credit din sa mga parents ng mga players na to.
Yes.
Of course, not only sa coaches, and kaya naman lumalaro to dahil sa mga pangarap nila. And with the support of the parents, mas gumagaang, mas nagiging determinado yung mga bata. And that's why we're witnessing a lot of quality games here dito sa SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 Cup. Kita mo naman yung mga support ng mga loved ones, yung family and friends ng mga players, di ba?
Totoo. I think our referees are investigations finished na. Parang siguro based on what happened, wala siguro sila nakita that merited anything for a call.
Yes, but ako nagigets ko yung ginagawa ni Coach JR De La Cruz. Even yung mga ibang coaches ginagawa yan. And so, kahit alam niyang wala na mga mangyayari dun sa mga complaints, JR just trying to prove a point para sa mga next possession, medyo may anticipate na sila.
May titignan na yung mga referees. No? You know that. I mean, and also, especially Ernie Pineda with 2 free throws right here. One of the assistant coaches nga pala, speaking of na Hustle Rising Suns coach Peter Aguilar, a former Ginebra player, of course.
Yes, the
Let's
father.
salute to,
The father
yun,
of
actually,
Japet.
yun sasabihin ko.
Sorry.
Pero yun nga, let's salute to his son Japet Aguilar, who's once again donning the colors of Gilas, di ba? Representing the country.
Yung service sa country, di ba?
The longest tenured Gilas player right now, di ba?
And look at that, forcing another turnover.
Grabe. With 2.4 seconds. What a finish for Hustle Rising Suns. We're down by 17 in this quarter. This same quarter, they were down by 17.
Huge second quarter comeback ang pinakita rito ng Hustle Rising Suns, no? Possession per possession. Alam mo, kaya sila nag-keep up dito sa game na to because they've been getting a lot of offensive rebounds. Kanina ko pa sinasabi pa ulit-ulit yan. Lack of half-court sets, walang masyadong transition offense, but they are getting most of their points inside because of their offensive rebounding.
Yes, and yun nga siguro, Coach Pancho, this is the do-or-die game. One of these teams are definitely going home in this ball game. Leave it all on the floor, di ba? Kasi at the end of the day, pagkatapos ng laro ito, one team is going to be the winner, the other is going to be going home as the loser. Pero yung alam mo na binigay mo lahat mo, di ba? Yun na yun eh. You gave it your all. You did your best. Hindi lang talaga tumalbog yung bola sa panig nyo. Kagaya nga kanina, nung first game natin, di ba? That love gave it their all. Di ba? But the basketball gods just work in a parang different way.
Yes,
diba?
and also I would like to take this time to thank yung mga teams na sumali sa atin dito sa ating inaugural season ng SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 Cup. Yung mga na-eliminate na, yung mga teams na sumali dito. Because 11 teams tayo nag-start, di ba?
Yes.
So now we're just down to 5 teams. Tama.
Yes.
5 teams na lang. Kasi di pa tapos to.
Di pa tapos to.
Oo.
You saw the reaction, Coach Pancho, ng entire bench ng Hustle Rising Suns. They executed the play perfectly.
Yeah.
Hindi lang nashoot ni Jin Layog yung layup. Sayang yun. But nonetheless, what a momentous run towards the end of the half para dito sa Hustle Rising Suns. Down by 17, they're only looking... Actually, this is the same score as the first half ng Game 1 natin kanina. 46 to 42.
Could it be? Could it be?
What a coincidence right here. 4-point lead for Parañaque Pelicans after the end of the first 20 minutes of action. Kapit na mga kasinag, magbabalik po tayo dito sa final game of the quarterfinal round ng SINAG Liga Asya.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa!
Ako si RJ Guerrero, suporta ng Parañaque Pelicans sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Ako si Romel David, para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Ikabang ka?
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako si Ronald Tubid, SINAG Liga 40. Laban ka?
Ako si Justin Bautista, abangan ng Pampanga Pradera sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Ako si Vince Muldong, abangan ng Team 1 Luwid Kapampangan sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Ako si Uno Del Mundo at abangan ang pagsinag ng Passion Sports Elite sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Ako si CJ Beautison, abangan ang Team 1 Luwid 1 Kapampangan sa SINAG Liga Asya.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Ako si Kurt Mapua, abangan ng Antipolo Pilgrim sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Ako si Richie Melesio, para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Laban ka?
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
Ako si CJ Delpino, abangan ang Pampanga Pradera sa SINAG Liga Asya.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in charge into battle with low latency. Yes! absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, dinoble pa!
Ako si RJ Guerrero, suporta ng Parañaque Pelicans sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Ako si Romel David, para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Gabang ka?
J Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
Ako si Ronald Tubid, SINAG Liga 40. Laban ka?
Ako si Justin Bautista, abangan ng Pampanga Pradera sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Ako si Vince Muldong, abangan ng Team 1 Luwid Kapampangan sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Ako si Uno Del Mundo at abangan ang pagsinag ng Passion Sports Elite sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin. Walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Ako si CJ Beautison, abangan ang Team 1 Luwid 1 Kapampangan sa SINAG Liga Asya.
J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform. J Project Clothing Shop, Premium Fabric. We customized, quality printing. Makers of quality uniform.
Ako si Kurt Mapua, abangan ng Antipolo Pilgrim sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Ako si Richie Melesio, para sa SINAG Lakas 40. Laban ka?
Sobrang bilis ba? Yan ang bilis ng FiberX. Yan ang internet.
Ako si CJ Delpino, abangan ang Pampanga Pradera sa SINAG Liga Asya.
It's time to dominate! With its built-in high prioritization feature,
Yes!
charge into battle with low latency.
Yes!
And get into the race with low jitter.
Yes!
Apply for a game changer plan now and experience great gaming with FiberX.
Ronald Santos para sa Sinag Lakas 40. Game na!
Determinasyon, sipag, puso, pangarap ang puhunan, talento ang labanan, umaatikabong bakbakan. Mga laro ay tutukan. Game na!
Ako si Richie Melesio para sa Sinag Lakas 40. Laban ka?
Ako si Parley Dimla. Abangan ang Team Luwid 1 Kapampangan sa Sinag Liga Asya.
The fastest growing fiber internet got even faster. Again! Dahil ang doble na, di noble pa. Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5 from 100 Mbps is now 200 Mbps. Doble ulit ang bilis, doble ulit ang sulit. If you're an existing subscriber, automatic upgrade ito. And if you want to make it permanent, just agree to our new terms and conditions. As simple as that, no new application, and it's absolutely free. New Converge Fiber X Plan 1.5. Ang dobleng sulit, new offers from Converge. Doble na, di noble pa!
Back here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, it's a 4-point lead for Parañaque Pelicans, 46-42 against Hustle Rising Suns, Florida Blanca, Pampanga at the half. And kami pa rin ang inyong mga kasama, hindi po kami mga AI robots dito. Ako si Enzo Galarosa and the wise man, Coach Pancho Alfonso. Hindi ka AI, okay. Totoong tao nga, Coach Pancho. Similar score at the half kanina sa first game natin, pero what happened in that first half? Kasi a lot of things happened, especially on both sides, di ba?
Yes, grabe. Hindi naubusan ng energy at hustle itong Hustle Rising Suns. And not only that, yung kanilang offensive rebounds, yun yung nagdala sa kanila kaya nakabalik sa rebound. Nagkaroon sila ng big second quarter. In fact, they scored 26 points in second quarter alone.
Totoo. Umangat nga yung kalamangan to 17 nga for Parañaque, which is the biggest lead of this ballgame. But nakahabol bigla tong Hustle Rising Suns towards the end of that second quarter as we see some of those halftime highlights. And Ernie Pineda, maalat ang 3-point shooting but showcasing that he is a true scorer, no, Coach Pancho.
Yes.
Hustling hard, offensive rebound and putback, diba? Showing a little bit of everything is Ernie Pineda for Hustle Rising Suns.
Right. And then for the Parañaque Pelicans naman, Hans Maikong,
Yes.
doing the damage here and despite the struggle dito ni RJ Guerrero at ni Angelo Buyes. But again, the Hustle Rising Suns, well-balanced attack ginawa nila. That's why we have this halftime stats powered by Converge Fiber X. Look at the field goal percentage. 30%, 37 sa Parañaque Pelicans. But the rebounding department, 40 rebounds, 26 lang sa Parañaque Pelicans. So, it resulted for a lot of second chance points. And yung fast break plays, lamang yung Parañaque Pelicans, they've been getting a lot of opportunities sa open floor. And, ayun na nga, because of the rebounding department, 40 rebounds, 24 points lang naman in the paint. They're ahead. Plus 6 sila ron.
Yes, but for Parañaque Pelicans, there is one player in particular who led the game para sa kanila kaya sila lamang dito, and that's none other than Angelo Jello Ubuyes. What a performance from this kid. 11 points, 2 rebounds, 2 assists. Another all-around performance for him, and he needs to do more dahil nga refusing to go away tong Hustle Rising Suns, no?
Yes, silent 11 points ang ginagawa dito ni Angelo Bues, but regardless, he's still leading the way dito for Parañaque Pelicans. That's why they're still enjoying a 4-point lead entering the third quarter.
And as we see the leading scorers here, Pineda leading all scorers with 13. Harvey Santos joins him with 11. Harvey Salvador naman with 7, and Tristan Tubangi with 5 for Hustle Rising Suns. For Parañaque, they're led by Ubuyes with 11, Guerrero with 10, Joffrey Santos with 9, and Hans Maikong with 6 coming off the bench. As yan ang ating halftime score, 46-42, a 4-point lead for Parañaque Pelicans. Kapit lang mga kasinag, magbabalik tayo for the second half ng laban ng Parañaque Pelicans kontra Hustle Rising Suns.
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
This 2023 SINAG Liga ASYA is brought to you by SCD Skincare Depot. Perfect care for your skin. Of course, Video Gear Incorporated, our official production partner dito sa SINAG Liga ASYA. Shoutout Ma'am Grace of SCD and Tito Fernando Obrero of Video Gear Incorporated. And Ma'am Grace, again, kailangan nyo ng model, may kilala ako.
Yes, oo naman. Grabe.
Ito at the half. Same score as our first game at Pineda knocks down the three.
Wow. Picking up where they left off, especially itong si Ernie Pineda. What a way to start the third quarter with a 3-point bomb.
And you know what's crazy, Coach Pancho? Kanina, yung first game, ganyan yung halftime score. And then the first point natin at the half was a 3 by CJ Butisson, pero bumawi si RJ Guerrero.
The way they started the first quarter, eto, binabalik nila sa third quarter, yung shootout in Pampanga.
Grabe. And it is a shootout right now. Everyone's pulling up for jumpers, no? The Parañaque still has the lead here. Maikong. Put in spin. Good defense by Hustle Rising Sun.
Oo, sayang yun. Ang ganda nung Iverson cut na ginawa niya doon. And then he decided to drive hard. But, you know, the defense was ready that time.
Totoo.
Walang masyadong movement. Except for that Iverson cut, yun lang. But look at this 3-point play. May challenge pa doon, ha?
Totoo. Yan, and ito yung, may challenge din yung kay Ronald Guerrero. Moving to his right shoulder pa yun, ha?
Yes.
Tiro na yun.
Oo, gandang 3-point shots doon.
Kubagi tries to go down low to Harvey Santos and ends up in a turnover. He's asking for a replay. Coach JR does oblige him. Everyone from Hustle's bench asking for it, and they're gonna give it to him. They're gonna do a coach's challenge.
Yes, and look at Coach JR De La Cruz. You know, I can read his lips. Talagang, are you sure?
Seryoso ka?
Are you
Totoo
sure?
ka ba?
Pero, siyempre, yan ang, the relationship between the coaches and the players, yung trust. Yan ang magandang foundation doon.
Our referees are
Remember, isa lang ang coach's challenge.
Yes. Our referees are trooping over to the IRS system. As naninigurado lang ako na tao ka.
Yes, tao ko. Enzo.
Of course, binato sa akin ni Allen itong tanong na to. There you go. Let's see the replay muna here. Parang from that angle, hindi masyado kita. No?
Yes, pero ito, ulitin natin ulit.
Let's see. Say, good defense by Jigs kasi that would have been easy 2 points for Harvey Santos.
Oh, bad angle din yung pasa. Look at us. 3 blue shirts yung nandun, ha? Walang masyadong enough space to, you know, to catch that ball. Even yung space para i-bounce.
From what I saw, ha?
Close, very close.
Looked like hands did touch it, pero tumama pa ba kay Harvey Santos? And referees say it did hit Harvey Santos and ball will go to the Pelicans. Challenge is unsuccessful. And I saw Coach JR nung in-announce ng referee, tumingin sa kanya si Harvey Santos, sabi niya, gave him a thumbs up na okay, sige, judgment call na rin kasi yun for the coaches na Coach Bancho.
Yes.
To trust their players right there.
So it only means na kailangan mong bumawi dito sa depensa. Yun lang yun.
But, Buyes! Whoa! What a finish by Jello! Wow. And look at him smiling and nodding to the to the Hustle bench.
The hang time and the extension. And because
they
of
gave
that,
him a technical.
Because of that, natawagan ng technical.
Kasi it was directed to the bench, not the fans ng Hustle Rising Suns.
And look at that, you know, the fans of Hustle Rising Suns, of course, are, you know, toying itong si Angelo Buyes.
Well, yun yung point na sinasabi natin, di ba? If it's to the fans, pwede. As long as walang derogatory sign to the fans. Pag bench kasi, diniretso yung taunt mo, dun na talaga, that's considered taunting na to your opponents eh.
Yes.
Immediate technical na yun.
as we all know, siyempre itong mga fans natin is here to support and cheer for their team. So, alam naman din ni Angelo Bues yan. Kaya nginitian na lang niya because malaking bagay din yung pro experience niya.
Totoo. Look at this finish right here.
Look at that. Yung extension, yung elevation.
And the finish, that soft touch ng Coach Pancho. And let's look at this, you know, he was looking at the bench and the fans. Pareho tinutot niya. Technically pareho. That's why they gave him a technical kasi nga tumingin pa siya sa bench.
Yes.
But I think intention niya talaga was the fans.
Pero alam mo, it's part of the ball game. You know, it brings excitement. And also, it's up to Angelo Bues na lang kung paano niya dadalhin yun. It might be, you know, mapa-fire up ba siya doon or mawawala yung laro niya, di ba?
As ito, Speedy Harvey, three-pointer in and out, and a rebound right here by Jello. Bues on the run, gives it to Ronel. Ronel already hit one. Backhands that one.
Hans Maicon with the offensive rebound. Look at that.
Oh,
he was
another
denied.
block. Jin Layog, that's his fifth.
Yes.
Grabe. Doing his best Japet Aguilar impression.
Oh, no?
Of course, Coach Peter Aguilar, the father of Japet Aguilar, is his assistant coach, di ba? So baka may tips.
I'm sure. Kasi si Japet Aguilar, dun siya nagtitraining sa Hustle Skills Lab.
Right. Ito, Maicon at the post spins. Emergency pass, Oliano, three-pointer, in and out. Rebound by Double T. Tristan. To the basket, it's good.
Wow. Straight line drive.
Grabe. Double T.
Wow.
Tristan Tubangi.
No hesitation.
RJ. He can fire from there. Again, misfiring has only knocked down 3 3-pointers sa ngayon pa. But right here, Salvador trying to fish for a foul. Layog keeps it alive.
Again, with his long arms, itong si Jean Layog getting that offensive rebound once again for the Hustle Rising Suns. And a clear contact right here for Hans Querido. Hans Querido has been so silent, a non-factor so far.
And parang wala siya sa laro niya na Coach Pancho. This is not the Hans Querido we all know.
Yes,
Let's look at this drive of the quarter by Tristan Tubangi. Hatid sa atin ng Photon, the official mobility partner ng SINAG Liga Asya. What a drive.
Grabe itong si Double T. Very agile and very mobile.
Pineda. That would have brought the house down. And there's a foul, I believe, on Joffrey Santos. Santos on Santos crime, trying to box out Harvey Santos. The intensity of the playoffs, you can really, really feel right now.
Yes.
Clear.
But
Hawak-hawak eh.
Kaya nga, but Harvey Santos has that inside position over Joffrey Santos.
Santos on Santos prime.
Tatlo sila, di ba? May isa pa.
Dave Santos.
Dave Santos.
Sa hustle. Oh, what a block by Hans! Can he let Harvey know it? That's where Hans Querido can put some fire under his belly in defense. No, he's a really, really good defender.
Yes, with a little bit of help dito kay Maynard Oliano rin, no?
Harvey fires a three. No good. Ano, bola pa rin ang hustle yun eh. Grabe yung pag-crash nila ng offensive rebound. But Guerrero, step back three-pointer. And RJ airballs that might have gotten hit a little bit by his own teammate, si Oliano.
Kaya nawala yung tira niya eh. No? Hindi tumama siya rin eh. But he immediately, apologized to the bench.
Humingi siya talaga ng foul eh. Pagkakita niya si Oliano, alam niya na, ay, kakampi ko pala. Hindi talaga ako pipituhan nun. Unless, di ba, magkalaban sila sa practice. Miscommunication din yun ng Coach Pancho.
Yes.
So, Hustle Rising Suns are within 4. Oh, wide open. Tubangi backhands that one.
They should knock down those shots kasi naka-zone defense itong Parañaque Pelicans and yung mga shooters nakapwesto ron.
Look at that defense by Tubangi.
Look at the scramble.
Harvey.
3-on-1.
Salvador to Santos and the 2. Harvey's connect right there.
Just a 2-point lead dito para sa Parañaque Pelicans.
Almost dangerous pass. Ubuyes. Three-pointer. No good. Salvador. Tubangi against Ronel. Pulled by Guerrero.
Wow. Look at the players that we are watching right now from both teams. Talagang no let up, not giving up. The energy was there.
What a sequence, Coach Pancho.
The effort was there as well. Unbelievable.
If you don't like that, you don't like basketball. Grabe, Tumbagi thought he had the lane, but yan ang ating block of the game. Hatid sa atin ng SCD Skincare Depot. Perfect care for your skin. What a denial by Ronel Guerrero. Not known as a shot blocker, but right there. Showcasing that he can get up. But here, let's give it to Penelope Wilhelmina for update in the third period. Penelope, you know na.
Enzo, Coach Pancho, during the huddle at the end of the first half, Coach Cesar Babasa of Parañaque Pelicans is a bit disappointed to his players dahil pinapabayaan daw nila ang laro. So he reminded his boys the reason kung bakit daw sila nandito. It's clearly to compete, to win, and to prove who Parañaque Pelicans is. And he also added to keep their composure despite the crowd advantage of the hostile Rising Suns. Coach Pancho, Enzo.
Thank you so much, Penelope. And speaking of Penelope, let's greet advanced happy birthday to her father, Sir Nel de Guzman. The father of Penelope, happy birthday bukas ka. Birthday na ating presidente si Boss Ray Alaw, di ba?
Happy birthday, Boss Ray. And happy birthday sa father ni Penelope na si
Sir Nel.
Sir Nel de Guzman. Happy birthday po.
There's a foul away from the basketball. Hads trying to prevent si Ernie Pineda from curling to the corner. Let's see this. Look at Ubuyes right here, Coach Pancho, for the power play of the quarter, brought to you by Converge Fiber X. Experience better with Converge, and that's the Jello Ubuyes experience right there. 19 years old pa lang yung si Ubuyes, di ba?
Wow.
Played pro. 19 years old pero ganun experience, di ba?
Grabe, malaking bagay yung experience na nagagawa sa isang player.
Totoo.
At malaking bagay din talaga itong SINAG Liga Asya, who's been the platform for these young ones.
Oh! Layog!
Wow! That's
pang-anim na! What a denial by Jin Layog!
Grabe.
And he spiked that out of bounds. Tignan natin, it was on Ubuyes pa. That's why the crowd loved it so much. Good initial defense by Dave Santos. And Jin Layog block radius right there.
Human eraser. Etong si Jin Layog.
Grabe. What defense. And Coach JR De La Cruz bumunot ng new player. Vincent Carlas first time on the floor, but quick answer right here by Parañaque. A three-pointer by Guerrero.
Sayang.
Sayang for Arvin Bautista.
Look at the effort. Diyan talaga sila nabubuhay.
What a game, Coach Pancho, right here. There's a foul away from the ball. Arvin Bautista ata napituhan. Napituhan si Arvin Bautista.
Iba. Yes. Tama ka dun, Enzo.
Napituhan.
Yes, napituhan.
Okay,
good job.
I would admit ang mga robot hindi kaya mo.
Yes. Kasi alam mo, yung nothing against robots, Siyempre malaki na itulong yan sa technology natin. Pero pag nagkamali kasi sila, hindi nila kagad mababawi.
Totoo.
Imagine mo yun.
Buti ka napigilan.
Tsaka buti na lang, Enzo, napituhan.
Do not turn off your microphone. Laugh with me. Pero I want to ask your opinion about that, yung AI sports broadcasters. Alan put me on the spot
Okay.
And that was a genuine reaction.
Sa iba pasa mo sa akin. Okay, sige.
Well, I just want to know your opinion.
Na ako sa iyo.
Opinion mo lang naman.
Sige.
How do you feel about it?
Siyempre, para sa akin, disturbing. Disturbing yun. Negative para sa akin. And although, parang trial pa lang naman yun.
Yes.
Trial pa lang naman. Pero sad reality kasi nangyayari na yan. Even sa United States.
Yes.
Lalo-lalo na sa digital arts. In fact, Enzo, yung mga writers at yung mga production, even the artists sa US,
yes,
nagkakaroon sila ng strike about it.
Right.
May strike na nangyayari dyan. Because they're afraid of, maraming jobs yung mawawala.
Totoo.
Maraming trabaho mawawala. And syempre, nasa part tayo ng broadcasting.
Yes.
Diba? Nagko-cover tayo ng games. Tayo, hindi pa naman tayo ganun ka-veterano. What more pa doon sa mga
veterano
na. At yung mga nag-aaral ng journalism, ng communications, ng broadcasting, na kumukuha ng kurso, and then talagang dinededicate nila yan para lang makapasok sa industry na to.
Totoo.
Diba? So ako, doon lang ako nanggagaling. Pero sad reality kasi nangyayari na yan. I'm not against technology, but yun nga lang. Doon ako sa, sa humanity ako.
Yes. I mean, pag kasi nangyari yun, you're not just removing broadcasters, you're also removing floor directors, di ba? Kasi, wala nang wala nang i-command yung direct
Pero
market, direct
nangyayari
video.
yan, yung AI, nangyayari na yan. At in fact, may mga tulong din yan. May mga pros and cons din yan eh. But,
Totoo.
But taking away jobs from people who devoted themselves, di ba?
Right.
Para makapasok lang sa career na to, yun lang, sad reality. Pero sana nga, trial lang. Trial lang. But itong laro natin dito, hindi trial
Hindi
to.
trial na to.
Ito, full of emotions, full of actions ang witness natin dito.
And I love the fact that the crowd is into it. Both sides, both Parañaque and Hustle Rising Suns fan base are into it. As Arvin launches it from way downtown, no-go. Ernie with another offensive rebound. Blocked by Santos.
We've been, witnessing a lot of shot blocks dito. A lot of defensive stops ang nangyayari dito. So both teams talaga nag-a-adjust na rito. But, the intensity is still there. The hustle is still there.
And Hustle is still there din naman talaga. Hustler is still into this ball game as Garcia again misfires from the outside. That has been the afternoon for Parañaque. They're one of the top teams in three-point conversions, pero ngayon, hirap sila from the three-point arc.
Naalala ko yung stats nung last game nila. 94 attempts in a single game. And then out of 94 attempts na yun, 39 doon galing sa three-point shots.
Right here, Joffrey Santos sa painted area naman pumunta, which is the right thing to do na Coach Pancho. Oh, pull the chair move by Joffrey.
Yes, that was a good move.
But Canlas knocks down the triple.
Yes. Late lang na pag-close up to si Chris Garcia doon. But that space is enough for Canlas to knock down that big three-pointer that cuts down the lead once again to just 3.
Yes. Santos, no go. Oliano with a rebound. A big pick. That's an offensive foul. Whistled. Arvin Bautista sacrificing his body.
Yes, because he took away the space eh.
Speaking of Coach Pancho, let's look at this again. Offensive rebound right here by Oliano, and then boom, that brick wall pick there. Talagang kay Oliano, tumba si Arvin Bautista.
Yes. Kung hindi siya gumalaw doon, hindi natawagan yun.
Yes. As napashoutout ng ating isa sa mga referees, shoutout na to Miss Elinia Valeros and Chris Valeros from Santa Clara, Santa Maria, Bulacan.
Hey, thank you so much.
Shoutout din kay William Valeros, SK Chairman of Barangay Santa Clara, Santa Maria, Bulacan.
Yes, shoutout sa inyo, William Valeros and Elenita and Chris Valeros from Santa Clara. Thank you for watching.
Yes. Grabe mga kasinag natin, ibang klaseng supporters. 1-foot shot right there by Tubangi's no-go. Harvey keeps it alive. The defense of Parañaque. Very physical and very pesky. As Guerrero bumped right there by Layug, and that would mean 2 free throws para dito kay RJ Guerrero.
And both teams are in the penalty now with still 2 minutes and 3 seconds left to be exact in this high-octane third quarter that we are having here dito sa ating do-or-die Thursday.
Ito na yung why people love to watch the playoffs. Diba? The physicality, the action, and the crowd. They're into it. Ano pa kaya sa linggo? Diba?
Ako, natutuwa ako sa mga batang to na experience nila tong mga ganitong klaseng pressure-packed games kasi kailangan nila to sa development nila
Yes.
Again, let's not forget, SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 Cup is still a developmental league. That's why we're giving opportunities and platform to these Born 2001 Cup players.
Right.
Siyempre, tinutulungan natin sila na ma-achieve yung kanilang goals.
A duty foul right there by Guerrero. But it's a penalty situation na, so that would mean 2 free throws para dito kay Tristan Tubangi, who kanina was being treated by the medical staff. Parang may bukol ata siya.
Yes. And grabe yung crowd factor dito. They're into this game and there are the reason why itong Hustle Rising Sun continues to work hard to get back in this ball game. So 4 lang ang lamang.
Bakit naman hindi? Kanina nga, yung Luwid 1 Kapampangan, di ba? Powered by the crowd, di ba?
Laking bagay talaga, no?
Hustle Rising Suns looking to make it a perfect trio for Pampanga na lahat ng Kapampangan teams nakapasok sa semifinal round. The second free throw ni Tubangi. Let's see if he can make it after he missed the first one. Gumana yung distraction ni Reynaldo. Here ball goes to Parañaque. the pulot barya distraction ginawa ni Reynaldo. Pag hindi nakikita yun.
Ito, may pressure dito ang Hustle Rising Suns.
Maikong, that's his spot.
That's over the long stretch arms of Jean Layug.
And happy watching kay Eddie Carrig. Good luck, Team Hustle daw.
Siyempre maraming nanonood ang mga fans ng Hustle Rising Suns dito.
Yes.
Sa ating live stream.
And kay Althea Luha, good luck, Pelicans.
Yes, siyempre, pati Paranaque Pelicans. Why not? Kasi do or die ito. This might be the last game na isa sa mga teams na naglalaro dito.
Vying for one spot.
Yes.
Diba, Coach Pancho?
And we are, we still have 1 minute and 6 seconds remaining at meron pa tayong 1 full quarter left to decide kung sino makakalaban ng NBS Slashers.
Yes, and good tip in right there by Dave Santos. And also happy watching to Tita Janice Bautista, the mother of Justin Bautista.
Yes.
Watching all the way from Lubao.
Yes,
Grabe,
good
hindi na
evening.
naglalaro si Justin ngayon.
Good evening po, and good luck sa Let's Run Knights for their upcoming games, although they lost their first 2 games. And of course, shout out then Father Vic Calvo. Thank you so much. And Coach Monkey, my friend, Coach Monkey. Coach Renzi.
But
Coach Lug.
Full of energy itong laro natin, Coach Pancho.
Mga kaibigan nating coaches ng Letran.
Grabe, happy watching po. And thank you so much. Maikong travels right there.
Clear
You could
call.
see
Yes.
the entire bench and the entire crowd jumping to call travel right there. As there's a timeout for the Hustle Rising Suns to map out something for the final 24.6 seconds of this third period. They're only down by 4 points, 66 to 62.
Sobrang bilis ba? Iyan ang bilis ng FiberX. Iyan ang internet.
Ako si Rodi Santos para sa Sinag Lakas 40. Game na!
Sinag Lakas 40. We will have 2 divisions, the Open Division and the Executive Division. If you're interested in joining, please contact those 2 numbers on your screen or email us at sinagasysport@gmail.com. And I quote ang aming commissioner, Coach Rodney Santos, game na!
Grabe, Coach Rodney Santos. And as we take a look at our Sinag fans here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center, despite, you know, the weather that we are experiencing here, pero andito pa rin sila, all out, full support sa kanilang mga teams.
Grabe, no? Ibang klase din kasi itong playoffs na talaga. This is what everyone expects. That's why you want to get here. Yung Coach Pancho, diba? Yung experience na mararanasan mo yung ganitong klaseng environment. Hindi mo marireplace eh. So ito, a final seconds of this third quarter. There's a small difference between the shot clock and the game clock.
Yes.
Tubangi. Where will they go? There's a zone defense being applied by Paranaque. Tristan to Salvador. He spins and he puts it up. No good. Maikong with the ball.
Yes,
What a stop right there.
They have the right intention, but yung execution medyo kinulang doon.
Oh. But still after the end of the third period, Paranaque Pelicans are still up by 4 points. Same lead that they started with the third period, Coach Pancho.
Yes, what I like about this third quarter is both teams are actually sustaining their energy and their plays right here. And we've seen a lot of acrobatic plays, lots of transition plays right here, and most especially yung mga defensive stops like yung mga block shots. Especially this guy, no?
Layug has 6 blocks, diba? What a game defensively. But Guerrero, his 3-point prowess talaga hindi mo matatawaran. That's why Paranaque Pelicans are still up by 4 points, 66 to 62, entering the 4th and final quarter. The last seat in the semifinals round. Will it go to Paranaque? Will it go to Hustle Rising Suns? Malalaman natin yan sa pagbabalik natin dito sa SINAG Liga Asya.
Maganda ang view. May libre kang kape. Walang problema sa pagkain. May sarili kang mesa. Higit sa lahat, ang fresh mo pa. Walang MRT na kailangang habulin, walang traffic na kailangang tisin. Kaya sige, tanggapin lang ang orders. Tanggapin lang ang bookings. Tanggapin lang ang racket. Kaya yan with Converge Home Base. For plans as low as 1,500 pesos per month, meron ka ng internet speed up to 200 Mbps. Make it big with Converge Home Base.
Playoff picture. Eto, Coach Pancho. One last seat remaining.
Yes, and we're just 10 minutes away.
Yes.
Dito, to complete our playoffs picture between the Parañaque Pelicans and the Hustle Rising Suns, who continues to fight for their lives here dito sa ating campaign sa SINAG Liga Asya. Born 2001 Kapag take a look at Coach Cesar Babasa looking so serious and concerned, unlike earlier na medyo relax siya. And Coach JR De La Cruz,
Know-how.
Oo, ayaw niya ma-dehydrate dito and dahil sa intensity ng laro. And why not? Well-deserved dito. Win or lose, grabe. Hats off sa dalawang teams na to.
Grabe, what a game ng Coach Pancho. Ito, Layog underneath. Drops it off! Sayang yun para dito kay Canlas. Garcia hangs in midair.
What a drive by Chris Garcia that time, showing his athletic ability.
There's a missed jumper by Dave Santos. Garcia no looks into Obuyes. And Jello, easy top board layup right there.
So back-to-back transition points dito for Parañaque Pelicans. So good way to start the fourth quarter for them.
That also silences the Hustle Rising Suns crowd.
Yes.
As Tubangi misfires again. Look at Garcia trying to battle the taller Dave Santos on the rebound.
Yes.
And I
But
think
what's impressive on that play is the smallest, the small guys on the floor. Sila pa yung nakikipaglaban sa rebounding doon.
Oo.
Garcia and ito si Speedy Harvey.
Yes. Ito, Canlas three-pointer, no go. And another rebound by Obuyes.
Ito, no, halos lahat ginagawa ng Jello Obuyes dito. Rebounding, passing, scoring, throwing contacts, diba? And playing with the fans and supporters with the Hustle Rising Suns.
Hey, dito naman talaga eh, di ba? It's either you fold or you become a star sa mga ganitong klaseng environment, di ba?
Yes, and what's yung advantage dito ni Jello Obuyes among these other players dito sa floor na to is he had that opportunity to play with the men. Yeah, you know, it's a different arena being with the pros and then this time playing with his fellow aspirants.
Yes.
Diba? So malaking experience na. That's why dito mo naman angat na angat si Angelo Buyes at si RJ Guerrero dito. Nakita ko yung stats leaders, nandun parating yung pangalan nila.
Totoo. And Guerrero nga, the #1 scorer. And a little bit technicality kasi 3 or 4 games lang nilaro ni JV Payuan, di ba? So, you can't really count him as the top scorer. That's a clear traveling violation by Ernie Pineda. Up twice to shoot that 3.
Actually, yun yung isa sa mga weakness ni Ernie Pineda. Na-notice ko, he commits a lot of traveling violations. In a single game, nag-average yun ng mga 2 traveling. Because the way he picks up the ball, the way he gathers, medyo hindi pa niya nakokontrol ng kanyang pivot foot.
Happy watching sa mga taga-Bayabas Kennel sa Antipolo City. Grabe mga taga-Antipolo, no? Wala na yung Pilgrims but they still support SINAG Liga Asya, di ba?
Of course. And isa pa yan, yung Antipolo Pilgrims Sleep basketball team na yan showed a lot of promise. Imagine, you know, lahat yan mga unknown players but after their campaign, di ba? Ang dami ng kagad na recruit. Gustong recruitin. Oo. Yung iba nga na-recruit na, di ba?
Yes, and iba doon, makikita natin sa 15th season of the ISAA tournament, di ba?
Oo.
October 26 na.
Yes.
See you all there, mga ISAA students. And mga taga-La Consolacion, see you all there on October 6. From me personally.
Nakaka-excite, no? Another collegiate leagues na naman ang mag-open dito. And, you know, ang maganda ron is we are part of that. SINAG Liga Asya is in partnership with ISAA.
Totoo. Good defense right there. The defense of Parañaque. This is what we know they can do. Clamp down on defense. And they have a 10-point lead as Ubuyes misses that There's battle right there underneath Garcia and itong si Salvador. And I like that sportsmanship.
Yes.
Tulakan tayo, pero after magtutulungan, di ba?
And sila yung matchup dito sa backcourt.
Yes.
Di ba?
Yes.
Speedy Harvey and Chris Garcia.
Arvin Bautista, wala pang point dito sa ating laro. Coach Pancho still silent. Mr. Second half.
Missing link si Arvin Bautista. And sa kabila naman si Hans Quirido. Hindi pa rin
Wala pa
talaga
rin.
siya makabuelo.
And look at that. Every time Obuyas does something, the crowd reacts. Diba? Reminds me of when I watch live. Although Kapampangan siya, pero Hinebra kasi kalaban nila. Calvin Abueva, when he used to play for Alaska, kalaban nila Hinebra. And everything Abueva does, kahit nga maglakad lang si Abueva, binuboost.
Yes. And yung na-cover natin before, I'm sure maalala mo yun, Elvin Chan.
Right. I remember. That's it. Pinaalala mo ba yun? Garcia from the outside. Off the glass!
What time is it, Enzo?
Grabe, the bank is still open at 9:41 p.m.
Wow, grabe dito sa Pampanga. Meron pang bukas na bangko.
Bangko, no? Eto, wow. Of course, we're just having fun dito mga kasina kasi fun game ang meron tayo dito sa Garcia. Yung wala ng boarding doon.
Yes, wala na. Isang beses ka lang pwede.
Isang beses wala pwede mag-withdraw. Arvin, step through.
Lack of space.
Harvey with a floater. First points of the second half for Harvey Santos, Coach Pancho.
After a solid first half dito, ngayon lang siya nakapag-contribute. But nevertheless, an important basket for them dahil, naghahabol pa rin sila rito ng 11 points.
Oh, good find by Pelayo to Hans Quirido. And finally, I'm not mistaken, first 2 points ni Hans Quirido yan.
Yes. What a way to score your first basket dito in an important quarter. And enough for them to, increase their lead to 13 points.
Yes. This would be 2 free throws dahil ang ganda ng atake kanina. Dito ni Ernie Pineda. Dito. Ba't ngayon ibigay natin kay Penelope Wilhelmina for her 4th quarter report. Penelope?
Ilang beses na tayo nanalo ng ganitong pagkakataon. Yung tambak tayo, pero nakakahabol kasi sinusunod nyo yung sistema natin. Those motivational words came from head coach J.R. De La Cruz of Hustle Rising Suns. And I spoke to him earlier na wala siyang ina-expect na solo player niya to step up because he instilled to the mind of his players na dapat as a team sila because that is how basketball games win. Let's see if the hustle mindset can give them their spot at the semifinals. Enzo, Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Penelope. So let's see nga as Ernie Pineda knocks down the free throws right there and cuts the lead down to 11 dito. 77-66 with 6 minutes and 28 seconds remaining in this ball game.
Project Clothing Shop has been a sublimation company for a long time. We have evolved by proving quality and top-notch products for our customers. The design jerseys are carefully examined and printed in a quality machine that produces a fast printing, the biggest machine in the printing industry. In the sewing section, all the sewing experts use quality thread, needles and machine to make the product good-looking and durable. We customize clothing and sportswear in full sublimation. What are you waiting? Visit us now.
This 2023 SINAG Liga Asya is brought to you by Sun Sports, the official basketball of SINAG Liga Asya. Shout out Boss Andrew Chuan-Choy of Sun Sport. And of course, Finn Cotton, the official sneaker partner of SINAG Liga Asya. Finn Cotton moves with you. Shout out Boss Paul De La Fuente. And of course, Blue Sky Roller Blue Sky Corporation. So much for Blue Sky for always supporting SINAG Liga Asya. Coach Pancho, meron ka mapapatiin?
Yes, and syempre, patiin ko rin yung Hoop Sports Apparel ni Coach John Colina. Brother, congratulations!
Naninigurado lang ang tao ka.
Hoop Sports Apparel. Grabe. Isa sa mga quality makers din ng sports uniforms, ha? Sports Apparel.
Naninigurado ka kanina na tao ka. Baka
sigurado yan. Sigurado.
Nai-ai ka. Eto, nasa trapping zone yung bola, but good thing Joffrey got it away. Guerrero, open look. And that's about all the space you can give him, Coach Pancho. Grabe.
What a hindi to gun shy. With defender or without defender, titirahan ka niyan.
What a performance galing dito kay Guerrero. And big stop again right here by Parañaque. CJ wiggles through the defense, puts it up, and he'll troop to the line for 2 free throws. As at the midway point right here of the game, Coach Pancho, midway point of the 4th and final quarter, one of these teams are bound to be eliminated. Parañaque looks like they're at the driver's seat after this shot of the quarter. Brought to you by FinCon, the official sneaker partner of SINAG Liga Asya. Ronel Guerrero knocking down his 4th triple of the ball game.
Yes, and they are now enjoying a 14-point lead. Plus, meron pa ditong free throw si Chris Garcia. So, you know, they are starting to pull away and taking away the game of Hustle Rising Suns. Medyo nagdidip yung energy at yung intensity ng game ng Hustle Rising Suns. Which yun yung signature nila.
Yes, and speaking of Coach Pancho, you talked about the experience, as you can see some of the fans. Experience dito para sa mga young kids na to. You talked about the experience ng Antipolo Pilgrim Sleep, di ba? Another experience na hindi lang para sa players. One of the youngest coaches in the entire country, who's also watching right now, my brother Ernest Alaw. Coach Ernest, happy watching.
Hey, Coach Ernest,
diba?
congratulations. Proud of you. Proud of you, Coach.
Very, very proud of you.
And the whole team.
Yun nga eh, di ba? Experience din for a young coach like Coach Ernest, di ba? Yung maramdaman yung ganitong environment. Of course, Coach JR, Coach Cesar Mabasa.
Yes.
Alam na yan eh, sanay na yan eh. Mga veterano na yun sa ganitong larangan. But for a young coach just like Coach Ernest to experience the playoffs, siyempre kasi nakaabot ang Antipolo sa playoffs eh. They now know how it feels. What work do we need to do? And nakita mo si Coach Ernest, oh, kahit wala na Antipolo Pilgrim team, still a student of the game. For sure, he's still writing. He still has his pen and paper back at home. Naglilista. And of course, happy birthday ulit sa father ni Ernest Alaw, to our president and CEO, Boss Ray Alaw, tomorrow. Celebrating his 51st birthday tomorrow, di ba?
Yes, learning never stops, Enzo.
Yes.
And even the professionals are still studying, you
Yes.
know. Iron sharpens iron.
Yun,
na, diba?
Being the perfect saying right there. Iron sharpens iron. So substitution of Buyas comes back in the game.
Eto, dinalik ulit si Angelo Boy, si Coach Cesar Babasa. You know, he wants to secure this win dito para sa Parañaque Pelicans.
5 minutes and 33 remaining. Jello to Guerrero. RJ, another one. Would have been possibly a dagger shot. So they go underneath Pineda. Short arms that. And ball will go dito sa Parañaque, who are in the driver's seat na, Coach Pancho.
Yes, and ako na-observe ko parang they're starting to feel the pressure and the fatigue dito for Hustle Rising Suns. But not on that play dito para kay Ernie Pineda.
Oh, great hustle by Ernie Pineda right there.
Pero marami pa tayong oras dito. And we know itong Hustle Rising Suns can climb back.
Kanina, 17, di ba? 17-point lead nga. Pineda will get back-to-back layups right there. So again, the lead's down to 11.
Yes, and alam natin, itong Parañaque Pelicans din, Enzo, meron silang tendency to relax.
Santos to Garcia. Three-pointer. No go. And another stop right here for Parañaque, or for Hustle Rising Suns, rather. Alfaro, their knockdown shooters on the floor. Binibigyan nila ng, never mind. He goes back out for Vincent. I was gonna say, he's gonna be a crucial factor dito in terms of three-point shooting. Pero bigla sa inupuri Coach JR.
Yes, pero I'm sure ibabalik din siya. Bibigyan lang siya ng onting breather, Enzo.
So for sure, a few pointers, di ba, when he comes back. Oh, give and go.
Wow.
Oh, extra pass to Lions. Sayang. Kanlas keeps it alive.
Another offensive rebound for them.
And another one. And Dave Santos, basket plus a foul.
And you just mentioned another one. And one play pa.
One play pa. If DJ Khaled was watching, for sure, tuwan-tuwa yun. Another one. Tawa siya. Let's look at Dave Santos again. The third Santos right here. There's the foul by Oliano, and Dave puts it back up and in. Hustle Rising Suns. Hindi talaga nawawala ng hustle eh. Talagang true to their name, mga hustle. But ito, they're still down by 9 points. Jello nearly slips. Joffrey. Santos pulls up, overshoots that.
And look at Chris Garcia.
Grabe. Rip it away from Dave Santos. But speaking of ripping it away, Ernie with the steal. Pineda to Santos. Santos is fouled.
Yes, against two defenders. You know, drawing contact.
I like the fact na kahit nagkakapisikalan sila, wala nang pipigo ng Coach Pan. This is the playoffs na. Those are playoff fouls na ang nangyayari. That was a playoff foul by Parañaque. Penalty na nga. Etong Parañaque Pelicans.
Yes. So, this is another way for them to, you know, make a comeback. It all starts dito sa free throws.
Yes.
Kasi nakakapag-draw sila ng foul, but they need to convert free throws. And I heard nung past coverage nyo ni Allen or si Lordy, you talk about the importance of free throws.
Yes.
So, ayun, nanonood ako.
Yes. Siyempre, ang kapartner ko nun was from the Terra Firma G, a PBA player, Allen Mina, who is already at the highest level of Philippine basketball, diba, which is PBA.
And I remember, tinanong mo siya kung ano yung pinaka-importanteng shot sa basketball, di ba? Or ano yung pinakamahirap.
Sabi niya, free throw talaga eh.
When it comes to importance, actually, lahat yan importante kasi whether it's a 1 point, 2 points, or 3 points, as long as the basket goes in. But, free throws ang pagkakaiba is wala kang pantay.
Yes.
And yung katawan mo, relax.
Totoo.
Pwede ka mag-dribble, inhale, exhale before you can make an attempt. Diba? So, that's why sabi nga nila, mortal sin kapag nag-miss ka ng free throw.
Yes. Look at this drive right here by Chris Garcia. Ating drive of the quarter brought to you by Photon, the official mobility partner ng SINAG Liga Asya.
So, ang quick first step para kay Chris Garcia on that drive.
And ang sinag ng araw, nagsashine na dito sa side ng Parañaque ng Coach Pancho.
Yes, even though gabi na, no? But patuloy pa rin yung sinag. And speaking of gabi na, and umaga naman sa United States. And speaking of United States, lalo-lalo sa Washington, D.C.
Yes.
Shout out to Coach Eric. Coach Eric sa Pamilya Washington, D.C. Sa basketball club dyan, mga kababayan natin. Thank you, and I had the chance to meet Coach Eric Quintana. Siyempre, part na siya ng SINAG Liga Asya, ating USA Basketball Affairs. Yes, so I was able to, be invited. Kaming dalawa ni Coach Eric ni Ernest sa IT Game Time. Thank you so much, Ernest, and kay Coach Eric Quintana. Nagkaroon kami ng onting kwentuhan after that show. Ang ganda ng mga plano niya. Ang ganda, nakaka-excite.
And shout out
global, yun ang global.
Yes. And of course, yung siyempre, Ernest is part of Sports on Air din, di ba? As a three-pointer there by Ronel Guerrero. 5 quick points para sa kanya in the last minute. But yun nga, Sports on Air is part of our social media partners, di ba? Sports on Air, ang ESA Philippines, sa Zamboanga del Norte, Max Ballers of Davao, kay Boss Primo, J Project, Clothing Shop. Siyempre, ini-stream din nila yung games natin, di ba? And of course, My TV Cebu sa Cebu, diba?
And watch out, marami tayong developments na niluluto dito na dahil syempre, karamihan ng mga actions natin dito sa Luzon and Metro Manila. But sa Visayas at Mindanao, be ready. Be ready.
Yes.
But ito, always ready. Ernie Pineda working his way hard dito para to serve, to get his team back into the ball game.
Yes,
10 na lang.
But they have to play defense right here.
But again, lamang ang Parañaque Pelicans nga lang tinira agad ni RJ Guerrero. Gusto ko sana sabihin kanina, they have the luxury to waste time.
Yan yung sinasabi ni Coach Cesar sa kanya. Look at that move by Double T. And it cuts the lead down. 8 na lang.
Yes.
RJ, step back 3. Oh! Big answer by Ronel. And look at that.
That is big. That might be the dagger dito.
Nag-night-night sila lahat eh.
But marami pa rin oras dito.
Especially with that, Speedy Harvey with a lifeline. 3-pointer right there.
Hustle, rising Suns. Still seeing a ray of light dito sa larong ito.
May turnover pa dito.
They're asking
for a replay. And they are. They're gonna give them the replay.
Or may coaches challenge pa ba si Coach Cesar?
Actually, wala na kasi under the last 2 minutes na tayo eh. So that nullifies anything. They're just reviewing it right here. As our referees.
Very important to. itong review natin dito.
Yes.
Because another possession for Hustle Rising Suns will give them another chance, you know, to come back. Nakukuha na naman nila yung momentum. So, take a look at this.
Yes, yun nga eh. With a minute and 9 seconds remaining, Coach Pancho, kanina 20 seconds nangyari yung comeback, di ba? 20 seconds left. So with a minute and 9, ang dami pang basketball na mangyayari. And the question here is, was Guerrero out of bounds when he caught the ball, di ba? Yun yung tanong siguro nila. That's why they asked for a replay. So let's see if Guerrero was inbound.
Tingnan mo yung paa.
Oo, yun yung paa ang tinitingnan nila eh.
And then yung bola, mauna yung paa. Ako, may decision na ako doon sa nakita ko.
Actually, ako rin eh. Ako na lang magka-coincide ba sa decision ng referee.
But we'll wait for the official.
And they say Hustle Rising Suns ball right there. So challenge. See, there was no challenge and unsuccessful. Hindi naman challenge kasi wala kang challenge under the last 2 minutes. But the review says nasa labas na, out of bounds na daw si Guerrero when he received it.
So 8-point lead lang to, ha?
Oo. To Bangi. To Harvey. Already knocked down one. To Bangi again.
Oh. Again, they still have the possession because of the offensive rebound. Look at them.
Kanya
Still
ulit.
trying.
Bautista drives. Bautista puts it up and in.
At binibigay ng Parañaque Pelicans yung basket na yun. Kasi obviously hindi nila challenge doon.
It's now a 6-point lead being protected by the Pelicans. They give it to RJ.
Oh, ito, Parañaque Pelicans, they're playing with the numbers.
Oh! That hit RJ!
Yes, good defensive job by Ernie Pineda. Kita-kita natin yun. Sa harap natin nangyari.
That time, no review needed na, Coach Pancho. Clearly, bola ng Hustle Rising Suns were up or trailing right here by 6 points and 41.1 seconds remaining.
I just want to go back to the first game. Kanina, 20.5 to be exact yung time remaining, at nakascore ng 6 straight points.
Yes.
Ang Lupit Kapampangan. Pero look at this play. And
there's a strip and it hit the knee. Clearly of Ronel Guerrero.
Yes, great stop by Ernie Pineda that time.
Oh, right in front of our referee pa. You guys can see my reaction dun sa likod. Why was I looking like that?
Hindi ko na screenshot. But ito,
you can go home and screenshot it again. Meron ka na namang maano sa akin, di ba? Meron ka na namang magagamit sa akin eh. There's the 41.1 seconds remaining right here.
Ito, they're still actually trying to clarify the time.
Oh. I think they're going to go back right here. And I think, yes, wala. The clarification right there. Oh. So, 41.1 seconds. As Hustle Rising Suns inbounding the full.
Yes. Again, 2-possession ball game to.
Yes. Mahaba pa to.
Parang kanina lang, natatandaan ko yun. Ganun din yun eh.
Oo. And ito Pineda, 3-pointer.
Almost.
Short. Oo.
He had that line.
Short lang eh.
Short
But
lang.
there was a quick foul right there and it will put Oliano, si Menard Oliano to the free throw line for 2 free throws. Let's see if we can knock down both to give the Pelicans some breathing room right here.
Yes, probably the most important free throw para dito kay Menard Oliano in his SINAG Liga Asya stint.
And they're asking the crowd to, distract him, pero cool, calm, collected,
Look
diba?
at the stroke of Menard Oliano.
Pure na pure.
Yes, oo. Pure na pure. Parang si DMC lang, Coach. Coach Michael.
Singit ka dyan.
Dan Michael Caneva. Grabe, humahabol ka pa ng pa-shoutout, ha?
Oo. Pero
DMC, ha?
Down by 7 lang. Pineda.
Grabe, Coach DMC, hindi ko makakalimutan to eh. Ito yung leader ng Oscar.
No basket daw. Akala ko naago sa inbound eh.
Yes, and Coach DMC is also at once has been part of the Hustle Rising Suns and a good friend of ours ni Coach JR De La Cruz. Si Coach DMC, Dan Michael Caneva Tisoy, the leader of Oscar.
Oh, dangerous pass. Pineda with steal. To Bangi. Block right there by Garcia.
He blew that chance.
Great denial by CJ Garcia. might have saved Parañaque's season right now, Coach Pancho.
Sayang. If they could have converted that basket down to 3 lang at marami pang oras.
Oh. Good steal na by Ernie Pineda.
Look at this. One more time.
Look at that.
Ganda ng
Tubangi.
steal. Good
There
pick.
was Garcia from behind with the most important stop of the
Yes.
ball game. And that might have just booked their ticket and scheduling a date with the NBS Slashers.
Yes, and we are 18.6 seconds away in completing the playoff picture, and this Parañaque Pelicans is trying to set up a date with the NBS Slashers in our semi-final matchup.
Tubangi gets fouled right there. 10.8 seconds right here. 7-point lead.
Yes, pero itong Hustle Rising Sun of the Year still continues to hustle and provide some muscle underneath, lalo-lalo na sa mga guards ni Coach JR De La Cruz. They're still not giving up. Why not? They still have 10.8. You should play basketball until the final buzzer sounded.
As Leyva troops into the ball game kasi nga foul out na itong si Joffrey Santos. Well-earned minutes galing dito kay Joffrey Santos ng Coach Pancho. The defense, the timely baskets that he gave. Starter pa siya kanina, di ba, for Coach Cesar Babasa. As Tubangi intentionally misses the second. Genius play. And
Not done yet.
Three-point play
They're
yan.
not done yet. And
Down by
both
4.
teams are in the penalty. If they can use their fouls wisely and quickly, may pag-asa pa sila rito.
But this is a smart timeout for Coach Cesar. Kasi he has now an option to easily inbound here to the front court. And if may steal man, it will take a lot of seconds away from the clock to get to the basket for Hustle Rising Suns, diba?
Yes.
Parañaque in the driver's seat to set up a date with NBS Slashers and actually keep the top 4 teams alive dito. Dahil tandaan natin, the number 1 Pampanga Delta, number 2 NBS Slashers, and number 4 Luwid 1 Kapampangan have already qualified for the semis, but ito yung beautiful, genius play galing dito kay Tristan Tubangi. Intentionally missing his free throw perfectly.
And at hindi mo daling gawin yan.
I was gonna say,
you can intentionally miss, but you're not assured of getting that rebound. Pero again, the offensive rebounding, yun yung signature ng Hustle Rising Suns. At kaya nga, dumikit yung laban natin because of their continuous efforts
Yes. And actually ito kung tingin nyo madali lang mag-intentionally miss ng free throw ng ganun, ask Manu Ginobili of the San Antonio Spurs, di ba? Yung ginawa niya before, yung tinry niya intentionally miss the free throw at pumasok, di ba? It happens talaga, but what a play there by Tristan Tubangi. But ito, 8.7 seconds. I'm pretty sure Coach Cesar will inbound right here in the front court in DR. Parang if ever may steal, maraming oras ang masishave off just to get to the other side.
Yes, at lamang pa naman sila ng 4 points dito. But ito, of course, anticipate natin itong Hustle Rising Suns will go for a clean steal first and they will, commit a quick foul.
There's the inbound. There's the quick foul and it shaves off. 1.4 seconds from the clock.
Yes, but look at this. The guy, si Maynard Oliano, who hit those important free throws, is back once again at the 15-foot line.
Yes, as Oliano.
Big
Pure na pure talaga
Switch shooting touch, di ba? Calm and collected. Maynard Oliano.
Clean as a whistle yung free throw na yun, And ito yung pangalawa niya. Look at that.
Swish.
Walang ring na
Swish.
tinamaan. Clean as a whistle. And ito, Hustle Rising Suns will burn a timeout right here as there's something developing right here between Hans Querido and the Hustle Rising Suns. But cooler heads prevail. Ernie Pineda pinalayo na lang and saying na let's just finish the game right now. But a 6-point lead with 7.2.
Actually, they still have a chance.
Actually,
if they can knock down a quick 3.
Sasabihin ko sana, if I didn't see kaninang Luwid 1 game, I would have said this might be over na. But I saw Luwid 1 do this kanina So may chance
no lead is safe. No lead is safe. Especially after watching that first game, di ba?
I saw that. 20-second comeback, di ba? Actually, 7-second comeback nga yun. Di ba? If I didn't see that kanina first game, I would have believed that this game was over. But that's more reason why to end the ball game, mga kasinag. More the reason why you should finish the game from start to finish, di ba, Coach Pacho?
Yes, and I love what I'm seeing here. I'm always after of the development of this born 2001 Cup players. You know, it's nice to be part of their development in their basketball career. Whatever happens, this is just the beginning.
Yes.
They can only get better.
Right.
Yes. Kaya paulit-ulit ko sinasabi yan. And with the way what we are seeing, those quality games from these young guns, these young aspirants, grabe, no, nakaka-impress.
Totoo, ito. Final possession na ba to ng Hustle Rising Suns of the season. As, quick
What
play!
a play!
Grabe.
Designed by Coach J.R. De La Cruz.
They need to get it to stop.
Yes.
And they foul
Quick
Leyva
foul.
immediately.
Quick foul, yes.
Oh. And look at that. The fans of Parañaque are now taunting tong Hustle Rising Suns. That's Ernie Pineda with a foul.
Again, eto yung pinag-uusapan nyo kanina at inopen ko rin kanina yung the importance of free throw. But look at this great play.
Grabe.
Well designed. And tingnan mo yung nag-finish. Small guy.
Small guy, no?
Yes.
Leyva can put the finishing touches of this ball game, Coach Pancho, and seal the deal for the semifinal round. And he does with that first free throw, Coach Pancho.
And Parañaque Pelicans is one of the best free throw shooting team that we have here. Diba?
Second best, actually. They're the second best free throw shooting team. As Tubangi launches from way downtown, no good. And that'll do it!
Yeah.
Kompleto na ang Final Four natin sa SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001. And it is the Parañaque Pelicans with the victory ngayon. What a game. So rank 1 to rank 4, all have qualified for the semifinals.
Well deserved dito para sa mga teams natin. But of course, hats off to the Hustle Rising Suns led by Coach J.R. De La Cruz, Assistant Coach Redentor Bautista, Assistant Coach Peter Aguilar, Luigi Tapang at si Tim Florendo at siyempre sa wife ni Coach
Coach
J.R. De La Cruz and the rest of the Hustle Rising Suns and the players. You know, a very overachieving performance. Ika nga, nanggaling na rin kay Coach J.R. De La Cruz. They never expected to, you know, for them to get into the quarterfinals. They only want to get their players to have this experience. Yun naman talaga yung maganda ron. Yeah. But after this, the Hustle Rising Suns fell into the hands of the Pelicans in their quarterfinals matchup. That's why Parañaque Pelicans will advance and will face the NBS Slashers to complete our semifinals playoff picture.
Yes, and that's the final score dito sa quarterfinal round natin, 98-93. 5-point victory for Parañaque. But now let's turn it over to Penelope Wilhelmina with the SINAG Best Player of the Game brought to you by J Project Clothing Shop. Penelope, go ahead.
What a big game. Now I have here beside me your SINAG Best Player of the Game brought to you by J Project. Angelo Buyas with 20 points, 5 rebounds, 7 assists. First of all, Angelo, congratulations. Angelo, sobrang higpit ng laban nyo during the last ball possessions. Paano mo napanatili yung composure mo at ng buong team during the last ball possessions of the ball game?
So yun nga, nag-focus lang kami sa pinapagawa ni Coach kasi medyo yung kalaban namin pag fourth quarter, lumalakas yan eh. Parang nagiging mas gigil sila sa amin. Kaya nung sa amin na yun, mas nag-relax lang kami, mas para hindi namin sabayan yung laro ng kalaban, para sa amin sila sumabay. Kaya yun, nakuha namin itong panalong to. Yun lang po.
You were the last team na nakapasok for the semifinals. Ano ang gagawing preparation ng Parañaque Pelicans at ng isang Angelo Obuyas coming to the semifinals?
So yun nga, siguro yung NBS na yun, mas paghahandaan namin sila, siguro maganda rin sila kasi mas magpe-prepare kami ng mas maayos at syempre yung depensa namin lahat ng teammate, mas mas i-improve namin.
Now I will now give you the opportunity to greet all your friends, family that is watching and supporting you as being here.
Yo, syempre, unang-una, binabati ko yung Parañaque Pelicans. Nanay, tatay ko, kapatid ko. Syempre, yung girlfriend ko muna, baka makalimutan kay Irene Dong. And sa mga boss namin, kay Coach Cesar, kay Coach Egay, kay Coach Louie, kay Coach RJ, kay Coach Eric. And sa mga kamag-anak ko dyan, kay Lolo Simplicio, kay Lola Marlinda, kay Marjorie, sa CAA, sa Samar, Batangas, Capiz, lahat ng boss, lahat ng sumusuporta taga CAA. Eh sa mga teammates ko na lagi nakasuporta sa amin, sa mga bosses namin, kay Boss Mac, and kay Boss Dilon, yun lang.
Once again, congratulations, Angelo, to you and to your team. Now, Enzo, Coach Pancho.
Thank you so much, Penelope. And thank you so much, Angelo Obuyas. And tama siya, huwag niya nakakalimutan yung commander niya, yung jowa niya, di ba? But Coach Pancho, your final thoughts, not just of this game, not just of the 2 games, but the entire quarterfinals round natin.
Yes, what a performance by the all teams who actually joined the SINAG Liga Asya Cup for 2001. And grabe, lahat ng teams talaga, we saw a lot of potential, we saw a lot of hopes. And you know, SINAG Liga Asya is so thankful with all the support coming from their the team supporters and other sponsors as well. That's why we're giving out chances and opportunities enabled for them to grow and to reach their goals. At we're down to just 4 teams, semi-finals, and well-deserved win for Parañaque Pelicans. Congratulations, and also hats off to Hustle Rising Suns.
Yes, and that completes the playoff picture. The final 4 na, Coach Pancho. Battle of Pampanga between Pampanga Delta and Luid 1 Kapampangan. And for the second bracket, Coach Pancho.
Yes, NBS Slashers will face the Parañaque Pelicans. A great matchup, that we are looking forward, especially this coming Sunday, Enzo.
Dito lang din yan sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center. First game, Pampanga Delta versus Luid 1 Kapampangan, 4 p.m. And second game natin, 6 p.m. NPS versus Parañaque. But that ends this game and the quarterfinal round. For Coach Pancho Alfonso, Penelope Wilhelmina, this is Enzo Galarosa, and on behalf of Direct Nomar Santiago, Barili, Justin Bieber, J. Marbinos, Direct Don Mike Danan, Direct Billy Ray De Leon, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito from the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. This has been your 2023 SINAG Liga Asya Born 2001 SINAG Cup, and we are saying goodbye and good night.